192.
Yes, ma'am.
That is ABL number 11367 of
Yes, ma'am.
24.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your good name?
Jana.
Huh?
Vijay Jana.
Mr. Vijay Jana, Land Counsel for the petitioner. 6 permission to withdraw this ABL disposed of as withdrawn.
Grateful, ma'am.
Yes.
Vacation list, item number 1.
May I please, Lords? May I please, Lords?
Yes.
But appellant's mother is.
Huh?
I file interim bail, Lord.
IA number
Submission 2609 of 2000.
interim bail.
Yes, Lord.
On what ground?
Mother's spinal cord was damaged.
So what instruction have you taken?
Copy, let him copy.
Copy has not also.
Copy,
Stop. IA number so and so. This is an application for interim bail on the ground of ailment of the mother of the petitioner. A copy of the interim application be served in the land counsel for the state during course of the day. Will obtain instruction on the IA put of this matter. Let it come next week. Put up this matter on 24th of October 2020.
Item 2.
The appellant has been convicted under section 409, 467, 471, related to section 13(2) and 13(1)(c) of the PC Act. Intends to arrive 4 years and fine of rupees 55,000.
Yeah. Have you solved a copy on the
Yes.
Sarthak Naik? Is not appearing. Why didn't you make a phone call to him so that? So why don't please? I'm just passing it over. Ask him just. Okay. Next.
Item 3.
Passing it over. Yeah.
And you please the Belgium matter.
Belgium matter.
And
When that NBW was issued?
11/9/2024. 11/9/2024.
11/9.
Yes,
Mr. Das. The surrender date to be fixed within 4 weeks. He will surrender and he is allowed.
Item 4.
May I please?
This is a case under section 306 of IPC, madam. In the meantime, charge sheet submitted under section 306 of IPC, madam. Petitioner is in custody since 6/7/2024, my lord.
6/7/24.
My lord, I filed the charge sheet also. And cause of death is suicidal hanging, madam.
306.
My lord.
How the petitioner is related to that deceased?
Petitioner is having a love relationship with the deceased, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the petitioner denied for marriage, my lord. After that, my lord, she committed suicide, my lord.
Denied for marriage.
My lord. There was love relationship was there, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Da. Heard the Land Council for the petition Land Council for the state, considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 6/7/24. Charge sheet has already been submitted, section 306 of the Indian Penal Code, and there are no such printing material to attract the ingredients of such organs. And after hearing the Land Council of the state and taking into account the young age of the petitioner and inclined to his petition and be allowed.
Item 5.
May I please, Your Lordship? Now, the petitioner is in custody since 10/8/24, and alleged offences is 109-296, 1152, 1181, 324-4, 351-3 of BNS mine.
These new offenses.
109 dollar. Attempt to
That's the brother of the wife of the petitioner.
9.
109.
Previous 307.
अच्छा जाओ. Just this thing.
Injury are grievous, my lord. Charge sheet already submitted.
ना क्यों कहते 307 था उसी 109.
My lord.
What are the injuries sustained?
Injury grievous, my lord. Two injured, sustained grievous injury.
Hospital केवट रॉयल लेनी.
10/8/2024. Charge sheet submitted, my lord. Charge sheet filed on 28/9/2024.
So what about that injured?
Injured, they are recovered, my lord.
Still in hospital.
No. They are already discharged, my lord.
Where have you stated?
Madam, now the charge sheet has been filed, my lord.
Where is the charge sheet copy?
I have supplied, my lord.
See? Now, this is the major offense. 307. But
498A is there.
Huh?
498A, charge sheet submitted under section 498A also. That is 85 of BNS.
Let's pick the 320. Let's choose. Intimidate. So main offense is 307.
307.
Or the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Learned Counsel for the state. Learned Counsel for the petitioner has filed copy of the charge sheet with the memo which is taken on record. Considering the submission made by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody.
10/8/24.
10/8/24. And the injured persons who have sustained grievous injury have already been discharged from the hospital and they are quite hale and hearty. And after hearing the Learned Counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on the allowed.
Grateful.
Item 6.
Your Worship, my lord, this petition is in requested from 19/6/24, my lord. 19/6/24. Meantime, my lord, charge sheet has been submitted.
Charge sheet submitted.
Yes, my lord.
कौन वाला?
It is a case on section 363, 372 and IPC. And my lord, the rejection order as per annexed
164 statement Learned Counsel.
164, my lordship.
Have you got that statement with you? Because the state has not received the case diary. It was filed a day before.
My lord, the lordship may kindly see the rejection order. Everything has been mentioned in the rejection order. Annexed 2.
ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି କି ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ପରା 164 statement ଅଛି କି ଆପଣଙ୍କର victim ର statement ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ନାଇଁ ତ adjourn ହବ 64 କୁ Learned Counsel for the state seeks some time to produce the case diary, 164 CRPC statement and जोड़ा से old रो ये रही थी तो अच्छा 164 statement, then medical reports, है ना, and criminal antecedent. Yes, next.
Item 7.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, charge sheet has been filed for the offense under section 3762N and 506 IPC.
Kind statement kind.
165 Now the case has been committed and the 161 statement of the victim.
161
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କମିଟମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲାଣି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏଟା ଆଗରୁ ଆସିନଥିଲେ
ନା ଆଗରୁ ଗୋଟେ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିପେଟରୀ ବେଲ୍ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ ସେଟା ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ୍ ହେଇଛି ଅର୍ଡର ଶୋ କରୁନି ଖାଲି ଏଟା ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି
so where is that 164 statement and what the state victim has stated about
164 ଟା ସାର୍ ନାହିଁ ମୋର
161 ने कौन कहला
161 ରେ
what is the age of the victim
25
ଭଡା ଘରେ ରହିଲା ଦାସ ଘରେ ରହୁଥିଲେ ତାପରେ ବାହାଘର ଆସିବ or the land and counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 5/7/2024 and charge sheet has been submitted under section so and so and after going through the statement of the victim and hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on the letter of you know, put a seal and keep it. He is allowed.
obviously
8,
Mr. Dan, Dan Nahanti. It upon offense no 370. One of the city of criminal antecedent.
item 9,
Please, your lordship. On the petitioner is in custody since 4/9/24 and the offences alleged under section 409, 420, 468, 467, 471, 120.
Designated court OPID आपको copy दबाव पड़ी
OPID copy दिया है जी
हाँ
देज copy
पहले नहीं ଆସିଥାନ୍ତେ ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଲେଖା ହେଇନି ସେ land counsel for the petitioner submits that copy of the petition bail application has already been served Mr. Vivekanand Bhuya
no on AG office I have solved
ଆଚ୍ଛା OPID case ପରା ସେମାନଙ୍କର
ହଁ।
designated counsel ଅଛନ୍ତି Vivekanand Bhuya ଆଉ Mr. JP Patra they used to appear in these cases ହେଲା ତାଙ୍କୁ copy ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ maybe serve on short already served କାଟି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା let the name of the land counsel be reflected in the first Vivekanand Bhuya and JP Patra ହେଲା put of this matter date the event after yes
item 10,
May PG Lordship, my lord.
yes
I am BC, my lord.
what is the offense
My lord, I have given the chart, my lord, at paragraph 2. 366, the IP is 366, 366A, 363 and 34, my lord.
victim statement kahin
Yes, 161 annex and similar statement is given 164. Page 20, my lord.
14 ବର୍ଷ ଝିଅଟା
They stated, my lord, no physical relationship, and while going to the railway station, she has recovered, my lord.
ଏଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ ଇଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତ ଆଁ
item 11,
May I please, lords? My lord, 3032 part 2 and 35 of BNS Act. My lord, corresponding offences are, my lord, 379 and 34 of IPC. Yes, my lord. While
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି
my lord, remanded in this case since 6/9/2024.
ଏଟା କେତେ ଗୁଡା ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଆପଣ ନାଁରେ ଅଛି?
My lord, rejection shows that, my lord, there are three petitioners, my lord. Petition number 1 has 6 antecedents. Petition number 2 has 2 antecedents, and petition number 3 has 3 antecedents.
କୋଉ ପ୍ରକାର କେସ୍ ଗୁଡାକ ମାନେ?
My lord, my lord, I am supplying the copy.
ଏଟା ସବୁ 379
Year-old cases, sir, my lord. 2006 ଗୋଟେ 392.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଏଟା 2024 ର ମଧ୍ୟ
No, remand case. Initially, the petitioner was arrested in Noyapalli PS case number 478 of 2024. Thereafter, they have remanded in this case, and the basis of implication confession before police.
କୋଉଠିକାର କେସ୍ କୋଉଠିକାର?
That is of, my lord.
ନୟାପଲ୍ଲୀ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର।
Yes, my lord.
ଦଶହରା ଭିତରେ ଥିଲେ ନା ବାହାରେ ଥିଲେ?
ଭିତରେ ଥିଲା, ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ କମି ଯାଇଛି ଟିକେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା।
ମ୍ୟାଚିଂ ଫ୍ୟାଚିଂ କମି ଯାଇଛି ଭିତରେ ରହିଗଲା, ବାହାରେ ଥିଲେ ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା। ଆଗକୁ କାଳୀ ପୂଜା ହଉଛି, ବାଲିଯାତ୍ରା ପୁଣି ପଳେଇ ଆସିବେ ଯଦି ବାବା ଏଗୁଡାକ ଫାଇଲ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଯୋଉ comprehensive affidavit.
And
It appears from the rejection
any
order
condition, my lord.
that the petitioner has got number of criminal antecedents. Let the land counsel for the petitioner file a comprehensive affidavit status of those cases. Put up this matter after puja holiday. Yes, next.
Item 12.
My lord, custody since 21/9/2024, my lord. 52A1 of Odisha Excise Act, 540 liters of ID liquor.
କେବେ ରହିଛନ୍ତି?
21/9/2024.
Yes, Mr. Dan. 21/9/2024. Magistrate travel offense allowed. Next.
Item 13.
Lordship, petitioner is in custody since 3rd August 2024, and alleged offense are 417, 420, 467, 468, 120B of IPC. As per the instruction, the preliminary charge sheet has been filed, and the other co-accused are released on bail. And he's a localite of Cuttack, presently staying at Nayapalli.
कौन करଥିଲେ?
He has sold a property which is alleged that it has been mortgaged in bank, and he had informed the mortgaged, and after getting the payment from the informant, he will pay the dues. But the informant at present is in the total possession of the property, and this is a fact.
Co-accused के bail ले जाइए.
Lordship,
Who is that co-accused who has been released on bail?
Lordship, I don't have Tanmay Ranjan Khutua and Sarojini, but it has been instructed to me. I don't have the papers.
Yes,
My
sir.
lord, I am appearing for the informant in this case, your lordship. My lord, in this case, there is an agreement by the accused that the house is not mortgaged. It is absolutely false submission that has been told to me. I have paid 60 lakhs online, your lordship. I have got,
ରହିଲାଣି ପରା 3/8/2024 କୁ ଅଢେଇ ମାସ ହେଇଗଲାଣି।
but your lordship, I have paid 60 lakhs rupees.
ରହିବ।
My lord may consider my grievance, my lord. I have paid 60 lakhs rupees online, and the property has been auctioned to some other person now, because on fraud, this was mortgaged to me, mortgaged to bank and sold to me.
Already custody since 3/8/24, magistrate travel offenses, charge sheet submitted, allowed. Next.
Item 14.
Obliged. My lord, custody since 21/2024. The person who was apprehended in item. Your lordship, may I pray for some cash deposit? Your lordship may direct him. 60 lakhs I have been cheated, my lord.
Yes, yes. Take your next. Yes.
My lord, custody since 21/9/2024. Offense under section 69 of the Odisha Excise Act, my lord.
कौन मिल रहा है?
My lord, the person who was apprehended in item number 12, he confessed before the excise that he is going to sell it to the present petition.
Like custody since 1/21/9/2024, based on confessional statement of co-accused, allowed. Next.
Item 15.
Item 15, my lord, same to item 14.
Allowed.
Item 16.
16, my lord, 373 is there. Charge sheet submitted. Notice has to be.
Is to be issued, extra copy to be served. Next. Since one of the offenses here.
That's 65-1.
Hmm?
That's 65-1.
No, 376 3 रे ही charge sheet.
3
Huh?
item 16 to kete lafa kon 60/1 eta 3763 jota
3 sir.
seta nuwa ta hoche 60/1
Yes, yes.
আচ্ছা কোটা 360
376 jota seta
65 one of the BNS.
আচ্ছা 65 1 দেখি লিখিও দেব ହେଲା ଏ ବହି ଧରିକି ଲେଖିବ ସାଇଜ ହେଲା ବହି ତମ ସିଆଡେ ତମେ ଇଆଡେ ସେମିତି କରିବ
ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଛି ମୋଟେ
ତାପରେ ଇଏ କରିବ ହେଲା
ଗୋଟେ ଚାର୍ଟ ଟେ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି ମ୍ୟାଡାମ
ହଁ ଏ ଚାର୍ଟ କଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କଣ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 17.
May I please, your lordship? Offense under petitioner custody since 21/9/2024. Offense under section 310(4), 310(5), read with 25(1)(a) and 35 of Arms Act.
310 এটা তো ডকাইতি এটা
Committing doctrine,
ହଁ
preparing.
ଏ କଣ ଏକାଠି କୋଉଠି ବସିଥିଲେ ଧରା ପଇଲେ
My lord, from reliable source, when the police went in the jungle named Chotka of Chuntogata, and his associated gathered in Kenjewal jungle area.
ଯୋଉଡାକ 399,402 ଥିଲା ସେଗୁଡାକ କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲାଣି
My lord, 21/9/2024.
21
9/2024.
21/9/2024
Petitioner with no criminal antecedent.
substantial progress allowed next
Item 18.
Oh, please.
Item 18, my lord, 870 kilo of ganja.
କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
Custody since, my lord, 31/8/2020. Page 18. 15 and
ନାଇଁ କଷ୍ଟଡି ଡେଟ୍ ଟା କୋଉଠି ଅଛି 31/8
31/8/2024.
since 31/8/24 quantity is 5.870 lesser than commercial quantity bar under section 37 not applicable allowed next
Item 19.
302
city not out 302 is there CBCA
Item 20.
52 A1 of Odisha Exchange Act. 600 liters of
କେବେଟାଣି
23/9/24.
ହଁ
My lord,
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି
23/9/24.
Provisional खाई rejection order 24/9/2024 master travel offense allowed next
Item 21.
My please, your lordship, my lord. Offense under section 333, 74, 75, 76, 78, 296, 351, 3 of the BNS, ma'am. The petitioner is inside posted.
कौन से offense बड़टा कौन कौन
My lord,
333
my lord. House trespass, my lord, 452 IPC.
333 ହେଲା house trespass
My lord.
तो ଆଉ କଣ
74, 354,
354
my lord.
354 ହେଲା अच्छा then
75, 354A, my lord.
354
My lord. 354A, 354B, 354D.
ହଁ ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟ offense
296, 506, my lord.
296
My lord.
96 ହେଲା option अच्छा
No.
ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ
351, 3, 506, my lord, IPC.
351
My lord.
351 ଟା ହଉଛି 506
My lord.
अच्छा intimidation କଣ କଲେ ଆପଣ
When allegation is that, my lord, the informant has a shop in your village. The petitioner is the same village, my lord. The petitioner came to her shop and asked her to give one cold drinks, my lord. When the informant inside went to bring the cold drinks, the petitioner entered into her house and caught hold of her from backside, my lord, and outraged her modesty. That is the allegation.
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି
23/9/2024.
23/9
My lord. Earlier, the petitioner filed an answer to pursuant to direction of the Hon'Ble High Court. The petitioner was surrendered on 23/9/2024, my lord.
23/9/2024 to going through the FIR and nature of acquisition, hearing the land council for the state and nature of punishment for right. It is allowed much.
Item 22.
On behalf of Mr. Binod Hathi, please next.
अच्छा एटा 376 2N अछि हां तो CD और क्रिमिनल एंड
Lordship, corresponding IPC sections are 493, 417, 323, 379, 506. Lordship, both the parties have consensual relationships, Your Lordship. Both are married to different persons. In fact, the complaint is a widow, Your Lordship. They are adjacent neighbors, Your Lordship. And
केबेटु
pardon, Your Lordship.
केबेटु रहिलेनी
Lordship, from 27/8/24.
एज केते
Both are majors, Your Lordship. Both are married to different persons and neighbors.
27/8/24
Yes, Your Lordship.
27/8/24 custody after hearing the land council for the state and going through the statement of the victim and the nature of acquisition and inclined to believe the petition or on bail allowed.
Item 24.
May I please, Your Lordship? An offence under section 22B of the NDPS Act, custody since 28 September 2024.
कैसे quantity
10 kg of ganja seized from the
food
present
लिखा है जी 10 kg अच्छा केबेट रोल लेनी
20/9/24
20/9/2024 10 kg lesser than commercial quantity allowed. Next.
obligement.
Item 25.
Madam, 5 kg of ganja has been seized from the petitioner. Custody since page 8 in the page 8.
5 kg
5 kg.
हाँ एक एटा कौन शून लिखा है केबेट रोइले
1/9/2024.
अच्छा 1924 5 kg ganja lesser than commercial quantity allowed. Yes.
Item 26.
Please, Your Lordship. My Lord, offence under section 376 2N 506 294 34 of
Statement अच्छी
161 statement is charge sheet already.
अच्छी
Yeah.
अस्पताल
Aye.
CT 164 medical exemption report CA. After puja holiday. Next.
Okay.
Item 27.
May I please, Your Lordship, my Lord, 600 liters of ID liquor petitioners are in custody, my Lord, 21/9/2024.
274 275 कहीं लगला कौन बार लगी
Available lecture, BNS, my Lord.
274 275 billable
Available, my Lord.
କୋଉ ବହି ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଟା ଓଡିଶା ଆମେଣ୍ଡମେଣ୍ଟ ନନ୍ ବେଲେବୁଲ ହେଇଛି ୟେସ୍ ସେତେବେଳେ ହେଇଥିଲା ଅବିକା କଣ ହେଇଥିବ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ସେ ବିଏନଏସ୍ ହେଇଛି କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
274 275 ବିଏନଏସ୍ ଅଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟା ଥିଲେ ଆଇପିସି ଥିଲେ ସେସନ୍ସ 21/9/24
You have got a criminal antecedent.
they are in bail, my Lord.
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି
21/9/2024
right 21/9/2024 this is also this 274 275 are magistrate tribunal offense ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
चेक कर दो ठीक है 274 और 275 बीएनएस टा magistrate tribunal offense যদি ହେଇଥିବ ସବୁ ଲେଖିଦେବେ magistrate tribunal offenses allowed ହେଲା yes next
oblige, my Lord.
Item 28.
On behalf of Judge Panda, I submit this bail application, my Lord. The petition is in custody since 23/9/2024 for the offence under section 20B2C. Page 9, Your Lordship, may kindly see 5 kg of ganja.
5 kg
My Lord.
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି
23/9/2024.
5 kg 23/9/2024 lesser than commercial quantity bar not applicable allowed next
Item 29.
ट्वेंटी नाइन की नहाती
Injury put up to 109.
CD injury report criminal antecedent yes next
Item 30.
May I please, Your Lordship? The petitioner is in custody since 27/7/2024 for the offence punishable under 498A 304B 302 of IPC. The charge sheet has already been submitted under section 498A 304B and 306. And
You are the
I am the husband.
husband.
Yes, Lord, sir.
କେବେଠୁ ହେଲାଣି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା 27/7/2024.
What is the cause of death?
Cause of death is due to asphyxia, venous congestion, result of antemortem hanging.
Any
And
external injury apart from that ligation?
no bodily injuries.
କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ବାହାଘର ପରେ ମରି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା 6 ବର୍ଷ 2018 ମ୍ୟାରେଜ ହେଇଥିଲା 2024 ରେ ଇନସିଡେଣ୍ଟ
6 years.
Yes, Lord.
ପିଲାପିଲି?
4 ବର୍ଷ ଗୋଟେ ପୁଅଟେ ଅଛି.
Yes, Mr. Law. Or the land council for the petition, land council for the state, considering the submission that the petition of the deceased marriage took place 6 years prior to the date of occurrence. They are having a 4-year-old child. Cause of death was asphyxia. Combined effect of asphyxia and venous congestion as a result of antenatal hanging. So, hearing the land council for the state and going to the final form attached to the bail application, I am inclined to believe the petitioner on bail. Allowed next.
Item 31.
May I please, Your Lordship? The petitioner is a Lady Millard in custody since 9/2. Charge sheet submitted under section 302.
CDCA.
Item 32.
बड़ा commercial quantity ना?
हाँ 69.
अच्छा. After puja holidays, CDCA next.
Item 33.
Offense under section 331, 3, 305, 127, 317,
कौन offense कौन?
354, 380, 382, 411,
IPC ର corresponding ଏଟା ହେଲା କଣ କହିଲା ଆଉ ଥରେ କହିଲି?
354 working house trespass, 380, 382, 411, and the present petitioner is the receiver of the stolen property. Actually, from the house, the maid servant informed the main accused Alok. Alok has entered into the house, locked the wife, father-in-law, and other person.
ଆପଣଠୁ ଗୋଟେ gold ମଙ୍ଗଳସୂତ୍ର ମିଳିଲା
Married some
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ gold chain ମିଳିଲା.
chain and one gold Mangalsutra has been seized.
କେବେଠୁ ହେଲେଣି?
16/9/24.
16/9/2024. Allegation against the petitioner is that the receiver of stolen property. Charge sheet has already been submitted after hearing the land council for the state allowed. Next.
Item 34.
Before I am in custody since 6th September. Corresponding IPC offense is 325/307.
7.
Yes, Sir, Lord.
On injury कौन असला?
Injury, they says that Koture Hanindara. Case counter case. Our case has not been registered.
Injury report अच्छी.
Injury, in fact, it was not even placed before the court below.
Yet to be received.
Yes, my lord. Page 16, the injury report is yet to be received.
Case diary disclose that due to the seriousness of health condition.
That is what born out of the FIR.
CD.
I only pay little early date because of
injury report. ଗୋଟେ ସପ୍ତାହ ପରେ ସବୁ ରହିବ. Injury report and health condition of the injured person. ହେଲା?
Item 35.
Your Lordship. Initially, the FIR was under 363. Thereafter, charge sheet has been submitted under section 376(2) and my lord, and section 6 of POCSO.
Charge frame लिखा है जी 22/8/2024 रे.
आगे.
ते victim examine ହେଲା
नहीं 21 रे अछि my lord. Last 2-3 dates रे सी appear करू नांती 21st रे.
The Land Council for the petitioner submits that the date of examination of the victim is fixed the 21st of October 2024. Put up this matter in the week commencing from 28th of October 2024. If in the meantime the victim is examined, Land Council for the petitioner shall produce the certified copy of the deposition of the victim, giving a copy to the Land Council for the state. Yes.
Item 36.
87 and 64. 366, 376 IPC.
Kind victim statement is
Page 12.
बहुत सकते हैं.
Annex victim 20 and the accused is 22. They had love affairs. They eloped together. Witnessed a jatra Then when he was returning home, then he was caught. And the father of the girl,
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲାଣି
18/7/24 ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ହେଇଗଲାଣି 11/9।
ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ କପି ଅଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଦେଲେ Proceedings 18/7/24. Charge sheet has already been submitted under section so and so. After going through the statement of the victim, hearing the land counsel for this case, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail. These are ought to be sealed down. Is allowed. Let the age of the victim lecture. Yes.
Item 37.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, the present petitioner is in custody since 5/9/2024. The alleged offences are that of 380, 316 of BNSS corresponding to 420 and 409 of IPC, your lordship. The allegation in the FIR is that, your lordship, I was the branch manager of an NBFC, your lordship. I was on leave for certain amount of days, and
The amount involved.
the amount involved is 8 lakh some odd, your lordship.
You are the
I am the branch manager, your lordship. The co-accused person with whom the keys were present.
branch manager of which
Your lordship.
where have you stated that?
Your lordship, that is stated in the FIR itself, your lordship. Dwara KGFC. It is an NBFC bank, your lordship.
Who लिखाइए branch manager of द्वारका गौर लिखाई देखिए FIR है ब्रैकेट रे NBFC है ना and he is in judicial custody since
Your lordship, 5/9/2024.
5/9/24.
5/9.
Amount involved is rupees 8 lakhs and all offences are triable by magistrate.
Yes, your lordship.
But hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on the allowed next.
Much obliged, your lordship.
Item 38.
My lord, I am taken on remand on 23rd/8/2024.
Commercial quantity.
60 kg. It's a case of
60 kg ganja.
it's a case of 2023 June. I was taken in August 2024.
Commercial quantity to ASU. See this year. Yes, next.
Item 39.
May I please your lordship, my lords? May I please your lordship, my lords? Petition is in custody, my lords, 16/8/2024, my lords. And offense under section 21B and 25 of NDPS Act, my lords, and 29.2 gram brown sugar has been seized, my lords.
29.2.
My lords.
କେବେଠୁ custody ଅଛି?
My lord, custody ହଉଛି 16/8/2024, my lords.
16/8/24.
My lords.
Quantity seized is 29.2 grams of brown sugar, lesser than commercial quantity. Bar not applicable, allowed. Next.
Obliged, my lords.
Item 40.
That on behalf of Mr. Devadi, I am submitting. Yeah, my lord, petitioner is languishing the
SC achieve.
SC.
My lord.
Issue notice for them to extra copy. Yes.
Item 41.
The petition is in custody, my lord.
Mic use करूँगा ठीक से.
Petition is in custody 38/2024, your lordship, and it is a case of allowment, my lord. Now, my lord, victim is pregnant and she is residing with my house, my lord. And
CDCL power file is informant में.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଅଛି ପାୱାର ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ଆସି ନାହିଁ ପାୱାରଟା ଆସି ନାହିଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି
Next. After yes, next.
Item 42.
ଲର୍ଡସିପ ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍
ठीक ଗୋଟେ ସପ୍ତାହ ପରେ ସବୁ. Yes.
Item 42.
Itu kailangan after puja holiday.
Item 30.
May I please your lordship? Allegation under section 3032 and 35 of BNS Act. Allegation is there two persons are taking out the motorcycle.
Theft of motorcycle, my lord.
Corresponding section 379 of IPC. Royal 4/9/2024 ରୁ ଆଉ କେଇଟା କେସ୍ ଅଛି? ଗୋଟେ ଜୁଭେନାଇଲ ଥିଲା ବେଳେ 506 ର ଥିଲା 4/9/2024 ଆଜ୍ଞା 4/9/2024 magistrate tribunal offense allowed. Next obliged.
Item 44.
Yes. Nikki Nandi. 54.
Item 45.
May I please, sir? The petitioner is custody since 13/8/2024. Offense for the offense punishable under section 64(2)(e) of BNS. That is a punishment of rape. The present petitioner is a third year.
76 to 8,
That
my
is,
lord.
present petitioner is a third year student of SCB Medical College, and the entire allegation is that
victim statement achi.
Yes, lords.
164. କେତେ ବର୍ଷ victim?
Victim ଆଜ୍ଞା ସିଏ informant ର ମା ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର ମାଉସୀ।
victim ର ବୟସ କେତେ ନା ମାର ମା?
It's a reported case, not those medical case, my
Your
lord.
lordship 53 years. 53 years.
Anand case diagram. PD CA 164. Yes, next.
Item 46.
Obliged.
Yes, nobody there. After puja holidays, CDCA.
Item 47.
Item 47, theft of morum miler. 303 BNS, that is 379 APC. February ରହିଲାଣି ମାସେ ହେଲା ରହିଲି 21/9/2024
Petitioner number 2, my lord, 5CA as per the rejection order.
ସେଇ ଯୋଉ similar ଅଛି morum case 21/9/2024 magistrate tribunal allowed. Next.
Item 48.
48 man on behalf of Mr. Padi, 20B2C NDPS Act, my lord.
Commercial quantity asked.
Hello.
CDCA.
Item 49.
92 kg ganja, my lord.
Commercial quantity. CDCA.
50 also same, my lord.
Same CDCA.
Item 50.
Same.
Item 51.
Item 51, my lord, 376 2N 506 at 6 Posco.
Achi 164.
Nine.
CA 164 medical exemption report. Yes, next.
Item 52.
Item 52, my lord, corresponding offences under IPC 341 294 307 506 radio section 25-27 arms act.
307 कौन ଅଛି?
307 ଖାଲି ବନ୍ଧୁକ ଦେଖେଇଲା ଆଉ ମୁଥା ମାରିଲା ବୋଲି ଅଛି. That is reflected in the rejection order. Lordship may kindly peruse page 12. Page 12. And as per the injury report of the injured Suraj, the injuries are simple in nature.
ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି?
That is para rejection order, my lord. Simple in nature, and is no case under section 109 BNS is made out. In this case, as the accused Pradeep showed the gun.
He is the habitual offender, my lord.
ଗୁଡାଏ offense ଅଛି.
ଅଛି
1 2 3
ଛଅଟା ଅଛି।
6ଟା offense. ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ comprehensive affidavit file କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ.
ଜଣଙ୍କର 6ଟା ଅଛି ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କର
A number of criminal antecedents for example, submission of the land council for the state. Let the land council for the petition file a comprehensive affidavit after puja holiday. Yes. Next.
Item 53.
Offense under section 103 of BNS.
302 IPC, my lord.
302.
My lord.
Palacio CD. Criminal antecedent. Yes.
Item 54.
Maybe your lordship. 318 supply 4 of BNS. It corresponds to 420 my lord. If it inside corresponds 12/9/2024 and implemented charge sheet submitted, my lord. The allegation is he has got 2 shops. He has told the complainant to give and he has paid 1,24,000.
Amount is
1,24,000.
Custody since 12/9/24. Amount involved is 1,24,000. Magistrate tribal allowed. Next.
Item 55.
302.
Minus.
CDCA. Next.
Item 56.
56 also 3.
Say 302.
Yes.
CDCA.
Item 57.
57. My lord. Offense under section 20B 2B of NDPS Act 8 kg 200 my lord. Petitioner is in custody 24/9/2020.
Petitioner from Gujarat, my lord.
Petitioner is from outside. He's from Gujarat.
Local surety देगा. Look on 24/7/2024. 24/9/2020. Lesser than commercial quantity. Land council for the bar under section 37 not applicable. State council submit that is the man. The petitioners are from Gujarat. Hello. Allowed to be released on bail subject to verification of the address and furnishing of two locals.
Item 58.
May I please, your lordship. Belgium matter, my lord. He was released on bail by order dated my lord 21/12/2022 in BLAPL number my lord 121650/2020. Your lordship may kindly turn to page 20 my lord.
20.
My lord. And on the strength of now he has arrested my lord on dated my lord 14/9/2024. 4 kg of ganja my lord.
Non-taking of steps NBW was issued. Taken into custody on 14/9/2024. Belgium format कर देगी ना allow कर देगा. Next.
Item 59.
52 A for Odisha Excise Act and the accused person is custody since 5/9/20.
केबेडो
15/9/24.
16/9/2024 लिखा है 15 कौन मिलेला
2,895.65 liter duplicate IMFL.
Owner of the shop is released on anticipatory. He is the salesman of the shop.
You are the salesman.
Again.
All right, 17/9/2024 custody and the salesman and owner has already been released.
Released on anticipatory.
Anticipatory as well. Hearing the land council for this state. Paid application is allowed. Yes.
65%.
65%. 65%.
65 also same, my lord.
65 same allowed. CB for salesman.
Salesman.
All right, next.
Item 60.
May I please, your lordship? I am in virtual mode, my lord. The petitioner was in custody for 3.5 years. Thereafter, all self-same informant has lost after he gets bail, my lord, from this honorable court. Similar allegation is labelled against him, my lord. Demanding Dadabati.
Oh.
So, lady, earlier on her complaint, I was convicted.
387 and 506 as per the IPC, my lord. Petitioner having 17 criminal antecedents.
Criminal antecedent अच्छी 17टा वाली क्वेश्चन सबमिशन क्वेश्चन.
Rejection order.
Self-same complainant, my lord. Self-same complainant has lost because of that 17 cases.
Affidavit.
4 वर्ष सर थिली मोता भीतर.
Yes, next.
Item 61.
61 my lord, 307 is the major offense and my lord, as per the order of this honorable court, the petitioner surrender. All other co-accused persons were granted anticipatory bail by this honorable court, my lord, and the injury part, page 30, my lord. Lordship may kindly peruse. The court has, the learned court below has reflected that 3 lacerations on forehead and face and other abrasion and bruises on different parts of the body, including a fracture of the left index proximal phalanx. Anguti gote my lord, he surrendered on 3/10/2024 as per the order passed by this honorable court in ABL appeal number 110039.
As per the FR allegation, my lord, head injury is there, my lord. As per the
लिखा है जी injury
लिखा है rejection
submits that after as per the order passed in the ABL appeal number so and so page number 30 the petition was surrendered on 3/10/2020 and so far as the offense under section 307 of the Indian Penal Code is concerned, the injury lacerated wound on the forehead and face and other abrasion and bruises on different parts of the body, including a fracture on the left index proximal phalanx. after which has been opined to be grievous in nature by the medical officer. And counsel for the state opposed the prayer for the considering the submission, nature of acquisition, nature of injury sustained. I'm inclined to review the petitioner and to allow.
Obliged.
Item 62.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. I am through, my lord. Item number 62, item number 80 and 83 are arising out of one PS case, my lord, below commercial quantity of ganja, 18.500 gram. 4 persons are apprehended by the police, Your Lordship. 13/9/2024.
13/9/2024.
Person from Bihar, my
All accused are from Bihar.
18.500 kg, lesser than commercial quantity, and the state council objected that it's a man from Bihar, so it's allowed verification of the address and furnishing of to local seal. This is item number 62.
62.
Then how say same case to arise kurchi on matter.
My lord. Item number 80 and 83.
80 and 83. 80 and 83. Check for the PS case number. This is.
All are from Bihar, my lord.
All right. Say same order to you.
Grateful, Your Lordship.
Next.
Item 63.
66E and 66A.
कौन कर ले?
मतलब ये viral the obscene photo of in her mobile.
कौनडा?
मतलब
तो पटेले.
yes.
Name of the victim posted her obscene photograph.
Yes.
Obscene photograph.
My lord.
केबे रोइले?
14/7/2024.
14/7/24 को.
My lord.
14/7/24. Investigation has made substantial progress.
Completed, my lord.
Complete.
My lord.
Investigation has been completed. Taking into account the nature of acquisition, period of detention, hearing the land council for the state, it is allowed. Next. Yes.
Item 64.
May I please, Lordship? Here the allegation by the local police that they got the reliable information while they were performing their patrolling duty. Offense, Lordship, 61-2-110-274.
Just a minute. What is the
IPC my lord 120B 308 272 273 and 328.
Acha.
272, 273, Lordship, they have the corresponding offense 274 and 275 is valuable in nature. And the 52A of Excise Act, Lordship, here the some liquor mafia, they have reflected in the rejection of the name of mafia, they have sell the liquor, Lordship. And some persons were consuming the same and found on serious conditions, and basing on the statement of the co-accused persons.
Curious lecture को ये कराऊँगी diet लिखाईची.
Already 15 and more persons were consuming the liquor, and they found in serious condition admitted at the PSC CKD.
CD Yes, next.
Item 66.
66, my lord. The victim was having consensual relationship with the petitioner, and FIR was lodged on after the petitioner got married, and final charge sheet has been deposited by changing section 493 removed, 379 removed, 312 removed.
What is the statement of the victim?
Statement of victim is that
page.
Sir, page 24. And in that she is telling that mobile रे केबे भी आपत्तिजनक फोटो देखी नहीं.
Please wait. मोर 6 वर्षर झियो अछि आज को वर्ष तळे ଭଲ ପାଇଲା. अच्छा. केबे रोइलेनी?
Since from 3 months and 14 days. 5/7/2024.
Yes, custody since 5/7/24.
जी sir.
Charge sheet has been submitted under section so and so. After going through the statement of the victim,
page 18
and hearing the counsel for this state. I'm trying to replace the petitioner on bail allowed. Next.
Item 67.
Thank you, sir.
302 achieve.
Yes, sir.
CDCA.
Item 68.
State my appeal, Lordship. The petitioner is custodied since 9/8/2024. And
I'm
allegation
appealing to the informant, your lordships.
under section 318(4) and other allied offenses are there along 66C and 66D of the IT Act.
They have fraudulently posed as CBI officers, and they have 26 lakhs have been taken from my account, your lordships. Co-accused has filed another bail, wherein the CBI and details have been called for. It may be tagged along with.
How would a bail money ki?
Co-accused file kach.
Kitne number seta?
9889.
9889 of 24.
Lordship. It was there before vacation.
All right. Miss Naidu submits that you have already filed VNAMA.
Lordships, I have filed VNAMA.
VNAMA has already been filed. The registry shall place the VNAMA on record. Name of Miss Naidu be reflected in the cause list. She submits the co-accused bail application in BLAPL number 9889 of 2024 is sub judice and CD has been called for. Put up this matter along with so and so after Puja holidays. Yes.
Okay.
Pleasure.
Item 69.
My appeal, Lordship. The petitioner custody since 14/9/24, Lordship. And the fair, Lordship, dispose of the matter item 33, Lordship.
33.
Yes, Lordship.
order allow?
Allow his receiver of the stolen property.
Same case?
Yes, Lordship. Same PS.
अच्छा देखिए तो सेम केस कौन कौन सा अलाउ करते yes
Obliged.
item number 33 let's 33
10,310/24.
yes case click for this same yes next
Item 70.
Item 70 वाला डाटा बैल
376 AB is there, my lord. 376 AB is there.
Yes, madam.
extra copy we'll take up the rest of the matter after half an hour.
Yes, madam. बहुत जल्दी बहुत स्पीड है
Item 2.
That is it.
Pass over item number 2.
Appellant has been convicted.
Mr. Naik, you have received the copy of the appeal memo.
Yes, your lordship, just recently received. Lordship, can it be listed on Monday?
ଲୋକଟା ଭିତରେ ଅଛି କଣ 4 ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଛି ଆଉ ତ
ମାସେ ରହିଲାଣି
सोमवार दिन हेले हिजो it was mentioned, your lordships. Only officially need a formal instructions. Monday it may be listed, your lordship, please.
Was on bail as it appears and 4 years conviction and is in custody now because he has no power to grant bail. So
Monday, your lordship, first item may be listed.
all right, Mr. Sarthak Naik, and Special Public Prosecutor appearing for CBI submits that the matter may be listed on Monday as he has to take some instructions. Put up this matter on 21st October 2024. The name of Mr. Naik be reflected in the cause list. Yes.
Item number 71. May I please, your lordship? As officer under section 419, 420, 465, 67, 68, 120B and 34 IPC, along with 66C and 6D of IT Act. The petitioner was arrested on the basis of co-accused statement Ranjit Kumar Bal on the 10th of July 2024.
Nothing has been seized from his possession. Kindly have a glance to the page 31 of Annexure 1 series.
Misappropriation money is 3 crore 4 lakh, my lord.
He has not been named anywhere else. My lord, kindly have a glance to the para 5.
Instruction on next
My
CD, CA, next week कर दें ना. Okay.
Item number 72.
Pinadi, CDCA for this. Yes.
Copy also not served, my lord.
Ajan, copy of the application be served on the State Council. Case diary criminal contestant. Yes.
Item 73.
The corresponding offenses of IPC is 420, 419, 506, 376, 2N. And the victim is 28 and the petitioner is 32. And they are in having a relationship, my lord. Lordship may kindly peruse the statement. Certified copy of the statement, ma'am. ସେ ଏଫଆଇଆର ରେ କହୁଛି ତାଠୁ କ୍ୟାଶ 6000 ଟଙ୍କା ନେଇଯାଇଛି.
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲାଣି?
25/8 ରୁ.
What are these corresponding offenses?
Corresponding offenses 419, 420, 506, 376, 2N.
You are in custody since?
25/8/2024.
Yes, what do you say? This is a 28 years and there was assurance of marriage on these things are there. Court marriage koravu, close hello, Zoom vasanti. So, are the London Council for the petition, Land Council for the state, considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 25/8/2024. And litigation has made substantial progress after going through the statement of the victim. Certified copy of the statement of the victim produced by the London Council for the petition, which is taken on record. And hearing the Land Council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Shall not try to come in contact with the victim. Yes, allowed.
Item 74.
May I please, your lordship, my lords? Petition is in custody, my lord, 12/4/2024, and charge sheet was submitted offense under section 307 along with other offense, my lords. And injury, my lord, kindly glance the running page 14, my lords. Injuries are simple in nature, my lords. And petitioner and informant are belongs to one Sahi, and there was a Sahi dispute. Subsequently, this affair was lost, my lords. And allegation against present petitioner along with others assaulted the husband and snatched away 1 gold chain and 1 lakh rupees, my lords.
Yes.
Petitioner involved in a series of cases, my lord.
Right.
Have a glance of the rejection order, page 16.
There was a long-standing dispute between the parties, two groups, my lords. There are several cases are pending against the petitioner and the informant, my lords.
You have got 13 cases,
my lords,
including some offenses under by the Court of Sessions.
साई भीतर आगे झमेला आइकरी केस उड़ा गई my lords.
From the comprehensive affidavit, Land Council for the state takes some time to produce the CDCA, and Land Council for the state pointed out from the rejection order that the petitioner has got as many as 13 criminal antecedent, including offenses which are triable by Court of Session. Comprehensive affidavit to be filed. Yes.
Obliged, my lords.
Item number 75.
75 and 76 I pray my lord 1 week after my lord.
20 V2C commercial quantity. Acha. CD, CA. 75 and 76. Here, next.
Item number 77.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the alleged offence is that of 21B of NDPS Act, Your Lordship.
Hon'Ble.
Possession of
Brown
brown
sugar,
sugar.
7.5 grams.
7.5. Kept it.
I'm in custody since 8/9/2024.
8/9/24. Quantity seized 7.5. So not applicable bar allowed. Next.
Much obliged.
Item number 78.
Please, Your Lordship, my lord. An offence under section 21B of NDPS Act, my lord. 135 gram of brown sugar, my lord. Petitioner custody since 18/9/2024, my lord.
18/9/24. Quantity 135. Bar not applicable allowed. Next.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 78. May I please? The offence of 490/3044 DP Act, my lord. Petitioner is custody 12/5/24, my lord. In the meantime, case already committed, my lord. The victim has committed a suicide, my lord. I have sought the deposition copy, my lord. FR copy, my lord. And charge sheet copy already and post-mortem report already filed, my lord.
Fine.
Yes, my
मतलब
lord.
किसी देखना
my lord.
पेज खाली FIR फंडे देइछन और रिजेक्शन ऑर्डर
sought the copy to AG office. Your lordship, kind sir.
देइछन
Yes, my lord. Cause of death is the SPC, my lord.
आपन चार्ज शीट कॉपी देइछन
My lord. Xerox copy of the charge.
हां देखि कोन है
Please, your lordship, kind. Yes, committed.
As per the rejection order, my lord, ମୁଁ ସନ୍ଦେହ କରୁଛି ମୋ ଝିଅକୁ ତା ସ୍ୱାମୀ ମାରି ଦେଇଛି. As per the PM report, death is due to asphyxia. Result of antemortem hanging.
Who are you?
Husband, my lord.
केबेट रहिलेनी
Custody 12 May 2024, my lord.
बाहागर केते वर्ष परे
14 मास पर छी.
Allegation 14 months.
For the petition land counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is the husband of the deceased, Rubina Naik, is in judicial custody since 12/5/2024, and marriage took place 14 months prior to the date of occurrence. And after going through the post-mortem report, which indicates that the cause of death is due to asphyxia, vein congestion as a result of antemortem hanging, and the statements of the witnesses, and hearing the land counsel for the state, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail. I was still marrying Rocky. Allah? Yes.
Item number 81.
My lord, 21B of NDPS Act, my lord. 10 grams of brown sugar was seized from 2 persons, my lord. My lord, running page 9, my lord. Second custody since 18/9/2020.
18/9/24, 10 grams brown sugar lesser than so and so allowed. Next. Bar not applicable. No?
Item 82.
Offense under section corresponding section 458 and 395 of IPC.
395.
390.
On material achi.
As per allegation, the petitioner was entered into the house of the informant and
named person or unnamed? Unknown person. TA parade kon hala?
a parade has not been conducted.
Not conducted.
Accused has confessed during interrogation.
No. Submit kaland.
No.
On TA parade hoboni bit kim jayande?
During charge sheet, no instruction order. As per the rejection order, it was reflected, my lord. Rejection order, it was reflected on para 5, my lord.
Para 5 kon likhai?
The investigation of this case is still in progress. It appears from the case diary that the accused has confessed during interrogation that he was.
The instruction ये TI parade ही चीज है. CDCA specific instruction to be taken if TI parade has been conducted or not. है ना? And if conducted, TI parade report should be produced. Yes, next.
Interpretation.
Huh?
Item 84.
84, Mr. Mishra.
457, 380, my lord. Only because of some antecedent petition has been rejected. The petitioners were arrested on 18/7/2025.
As a habitual offender.
18/7/24, magistrate travel offense stated that there are criminal antecedents allowed appear before the police station for 3 months on Sunday 10 to 4. Huh? Yeah.
Item 85.
85 के नाहती after puja holidays CDCA Mogantu of 373 164 CRPC statement medical exemption before. Yeah.
86.
May it please your lordship. My lord, I am in VC, your lordship. There is allegation of documents being produced showing that they are employees of the bank, employees of PhonePe and other companies, and bank loans have been obtained. But against me, there is allegation, your lordship, may kindly see to fund out at 6 lakhs I have defaulted. That is against me, there is allegation. Even I am a victim. Yes, your lordship, page 21. The pura samastinga serially de dechandi kiye kete default karchandi. Page 21, serial number 72. That is to fund out. Your lordship, may kindly see 7,20,000 loan I have obtained. I have paid something.
72.
Serial number 72, page 21.
86 वाला copy not solved.
OPID, my lord. This is OPID.
PID council को देइचंदी copy देइचंदी.
आगे हम देइचे.
Land council for the petitioner submits that the copy of the bail application has been served on Mr. Vivekanand Bhuya, Land council who usually appears for state of Orissa in OPID Act matter. Let the name of Mr. Bhuya and Mr. Patra be reflected in the cause list. Matter will be listed after puja holiday. Yes, next.
My lord.
Item number 87.
87, my lord. My lord, offense under section 64 2M 49 35 of BNS. My lord, 376 109 IPC and 35
statement of the victim achi.
Madam, file an affidavit. Certified copy of affidavit which was filed before the London
affidavit victim ro statement nama ko affidavit. Lekon CDCA एटा नुआ एक्टर देखियो से 164 सीआरपीसी रो ऑन कॉरेस्पोंडिंग थिवो सेटा लेखिबे हला स्टेटमेंट आ मु जोडा सब 164 जोडा डाकी देछि ता जेरे से नुआ जदी थिवो ना तारो कॉरेस्पोंडिंग प्रोविजन हला तारो जो हां यस नेक्स्ट
88.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, the present petitioner is in custody since 31/1/2024. Alleged offences are that of 490, 420, 468, 506 and 294. Allegations against me is that I have opened one company and I have promised some of the people that I will give them jobs in my company, and I have taken some money from them in exchange of that promise, your lordship. The total amount of misappropriation is 48,150 rupees. Your lordship, that has been mentioned in the charge sheet, your lordship. One of the statements.
charge sheet copy. And you are in custody since
31/1/2024. The power is. Lordship, there is one statement of Vijay Kumar Pe.
amount ko lekhai.
Your Lordship, amount is from.
It was also reflected on the FIR. Have a glance on the FIR, my lord. अनुमानिक 1,50,000 टंका तो लोकों ठारू ठकेई नहीं जाइछि.
However, the statement is there.
Are the London Council for the petition and counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 31/1/2024. Charge sheet submitted under sections 1 so and taking into account the amount involved in the case and hearing the land counsel for the state and going through the charge sheet, I'm inclined to give the petitioner on bail allowed. Next.
Much obliged.
Item number 18.
On behalf of Mr. Pari, case of 302. 302.
My
My lord.
So CD. CA. Next.
Item 90.
Lord's kind permission, I am DC Lord. Petitioners of father-in-law, mother-in-law, and marriage.
Also
Marriage
302 case, my lords.
302
case, my lord.
subsequently forwarded under section 306 and my lord, the postman report certified copy, my associate will my lord.
DC ASU 302. Yes, next.
Item number 91.
May I please, your lordships. Corresponding offences are involved in 380 and 506 IPC. 380.
As per the rejection order, my lord, one criminal antecedent.
It is
February learning.
2/9/2024.
2/9/20. Magistrate tribal offences. Investigation has substantially progressed. Allowed. Next.
Item number 92.
Your lordship, my lord, I kindly take up 1 week after, your lordship, on behalf of Mr. Santosh Samantray.
CD.
He is unwell, that's right.
Next.
Item number 93.
3, my lord. 109 and 143.
IPC offense.
307, 365, 367, 341, 342, 506, and 323, 325. My lord, here, after discharge from the hospital, the present informant has lodged a affair that he has been kidnapped by the petitioner and along with other accused person, but the present petitioner name is not in the affair. I am
No, my lord. My lord.
Victim statement, injury report. Yes.
Item number 94.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, the alleged offences are under section 395
Bank
IPC.
docaity case, my lord. 41,65,000, my lord. CD record.
Lordship has been remanded in custody since 31/12/2000. Obliged, Lordship.
Item 95.
My lord,
Mr. Bhuyanku ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଏଟା OPID Act case ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେବେ copy.
my lord, I will serve a copy. My lord,
Names to be reflected. He has to take instruction. Vivekanand Bhuya और JP Patra.
आगे.
Yes, next.
I may be pardoned, my lord. Another main accused is already heard by another bench of this honorable High Court. So ये से tag है क्या उसमें?
The pending अछि.
आगे pending अछि.
Stated that so and so is pending. It is to be tagged with so and so.
BLFL number 10149 of 2020.
Yes, next.
Item 96. Petitioner is custody from 11/9/2024. Alleged offence under section 69 and other alleged offence of BNS Act, lordship.
Corresponding offence.
323,506. 23 and 506 IPC part 2, my lord. And there are also 69 BNS.
69?
69 the new act, my lord. Sexual intercourse making false promise to marry.
And this victim the statement of you. Victim the statement achi.
No, my lord. Only
FIR ki ଦେଇଛି?
FIR this is informant.
ଆସୁ ଏଟା ନାହିଁ statement ଅଛି ନା କି victim ର ଅଛି CDCA victim ର statement ଆସିବ ଆଉ medical examination report. Yeah.
Item 97.
97, my lord. 376T, 328, 506, 120B of IPC, along with my lord section 6 of protection of child from sexual offences.
Young rape case.
My lord.
My
lord, kindly feed it.
CDCA, victim statement, medical exemption report. Yes, next.
Item 98.
19 on behalf of Divedi Malad, I am submitting.
It's a bank dokaiti case, my lord. CD required 32 lakh, my lord.
এটা হচ্ছে সেই CDCA, after puja holiday. Yes, next.
Item 99. May I please, my lord? Yes, under section 420 IPC, custody 440 IPC, my lord. Custody since 9/9/2020, the rejection order shows that the petitioner and the accused both were friends. The principal amount was deposited and returned, and the page 8 rejection order and the ଆଜ୍ଞା ନା ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ହେଇନି 9/9/24 କଷ୍ଟଡି ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ସେ କହୁଛି ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଯାହା ଡିପୋଜିଟ କରିଥିଲା ଦି ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ ଅଲସୋ ରିଟର୍ନ ହିଜ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ୱିଥ ପ୍ରଫିଟ ଟୁ ଦି କମ୍ପ୍ଲେଣ୍ଟ ସବସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟଲି 6,51,000 ରୁ ରିଟର୍ନ କ୍ୟାଶ ଅଫ 3,09,000.
No, but rest 6,91,000 did not return, my lord, as per the FIR allegation, my lord.
There's 6,91,000.
6,91,000.
From the day first return, the accused had returned 3,09,000, but
counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 9/9/24, offense is traveled by magistrate, and as per the FIR, the amount involved is 6,91,000. And after hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to believe the petitioner on bail allowed.
obliged. Item 100.
May I please, your lordship? Under sections 51 of Wildlife Act, my lord. My lord, custody since 3/9/2024. My lord, one of the co-accused already been released by the anticipatory bail in this case, my lord. And there is no criminal incidents against the three number.
ଆଣିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଏଟା କୋଉଠି ପାଇଲେ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କୋଉଠି ବେଲ୍ ଅର୍ଡରରେ ରିଜେକ୍ସନ ଅର୍ଡରରେ
No, my lord.
ଆଚ୍ଛା
Rejection was deflected and still awaited.
Leopard skin acha anantu sira
My lord.
CDCA ta yes next.
Item number 101. May I please, my lord? Yes, under section 7. The initial agreement was, as per agreement, initially returned the total amount. Subsequently, it is alleged that cash of returned 3,25,000, balance 3,75,000 could not return.
But
rest
3,75,000 did not return, my lord, as per the rejection.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ବ୍ରହ୍ମପୁରରେ ଗୋଟେ ଏଇଠି ରାଉରକେଲାରେ କଣ ଯେ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ ହେଇକି ସେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଦିଟା କେସରେ ବିଭୂତି ସହ ପ୍ରବଚନା କହିଲେ ସେ ସେମ୍ କଥା ଏଇଥିରେ 3,75,000
ଯୋଉ ଗତଟା ଡାକିଥିଲି 3,75,000 ବାକି ସବୁ 420 allowed.
Item 102.
May I please, your lordship? Petition is in custody since
5 kg ganja, my lord.
5 kg of ganja, 28/9/2024, my lord.
28/9/24, 5 kg ganja, lesser than commercial quantity allowed. Next.
Person from Chhattisgarh, my lord.
अच्छा ये outsider लोग को address to be verified है ना before accepting the bail bond and local surety data है ना.
Item 103.
103 on case of 302, my lord.
On behalf of Mr. Mahanti.
312 is CD of criminal antecedent. Yes, next.
Item 104.
Please, your lordship.
Item 105.
Nahanti. CD, CA. Next.
106. (395) along with other offences, my lord. A teacher assaulted the grand niece of the informant. As a result, there was a settlement between the parties. I have annexed the affair, my lord. Page 12. It is alleged that the accused persons entered into the house of the informant and took a rice, dal, and other articles and set fire to the
436 is there, my lord.
430 set fire, my lord, these articles.
Threw petrol and put
And
fire to
the
his house.
pursuant to order passed by this Hon'Ble Court, the petitions have surrendered on 3/10/2024. Pursuant to order passed by this in anticipatory bail, my lord.
Submit that pursuant to the order passed by this court in anticipatory bail application. Petition surrendered on 3/10/2024 of petitioners and they are in judicial custody. And taking into account the background of the case, nature of acquisition, hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petition on bail allowed. Next.
Okay. Item 108.
Penalty. So, Vijay holidays for DCA assume.
My lord.
Yeah.
Item 109.
109 name, please. The
to along with other offences.
302 is there. 364.
CD null antecedent. Yes, next.
Item 111. Offense under section 302 and other.
302 another case diary of criminal antecedent.
My lord.
Item 112.
And abstract, my lord.
Another TI parade report CDCA.
My lord, that is the bank documents.
Anyway, TI
Okay.
parade report. Yes. Criminal antecedent case diary so one.
Item 114.
My lord, offense under section 392 and 34 of IPC as per
309 ro eta kono
3094 392
92
Okay.
It
Between sunset and sunrise. That is 14 years.
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି?
ରହିଲେଣି କଷ୍ଟଡି ସିନ୍ସ 7/9/2024 my lord.
ଆଉ କେଟା କେସ୍ ଅଛି?
No case nice super the rejection order is there is no case forwarding report is page 11 your lordship.
କଣ ନେଇଗଲେ କି?
ତାର ସୁନା ମୁଦି ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ମୋବାଇଲ ଫୋନ ଆଉ
7 କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Since when you are in custody?
7/9/2024 ମାଇଲର।
All right, 7/9/2012. And no criminal antecedent against the petitioner. Investigation has made substantial progress. After hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed. Yes.
Item number 115.
Offenses, alleged offenses under section 420, 294, 506, 34. In custody since 8/8/24. 8 August
24.
my lord.
कौन को ले?
Well,
Mic use करो ना, mic use करो.
That the informant was running one Vastu Shastra office where she uploaded her telephone number in her Facebook account. Thereafter, one Mr. Shekhawat, Karan Singh Shekhawat, she came to contact through that, and impression was created that his father is in America. Thereafter, transfer of her informant's husband to Bhubaneswar, he took 20,000 first. Thereafter, 2 lakhs. In this process, 10 lakhs.
40 lakhs लिखाई जी?
40 lakhs. The accused took money of rupees 40 lakhs on different occasions from her and told her to selling a duplex building to her. That is that.
You are a man from UP.
My lord.
अच्छी कागज पत्र अच्छी?
नहीं किछ अछि. Okay, my lord.
CD, CA. Next.
Item 118.
May I please, your lordships?
Your lordships, the petitioner is a 25-year-old boy who is in custody since 31/10/2023. It's a case under section 457 and 380. This is a remand case, your lordships.
31/10/2023. 23.
Your lordships.
All right, 31/10/23. Magistrate travel offense allowed. Next.
Item 119. May I please, your lordships? Your lordships, co-accused persons who stands on similar footing.
Okay, allowed. Next.
In the super rejection orders, there are CA.
Oh, yeah.
My lord.
Item 120. Obliged, your lordships.
20, my lord, I am in BC. Here, my lord, the petitioner was on anticipatory bail. Subsequently, he could not able to surrender, my lord. For that, he was arrested in another case, subsequently remanded. And the contraband, you may kindly have glanced page 9. Page 9 of the
adulterated liquid, soft
My
syrup. All right. He was on anticipatory bail, and could not surrender before the trial court. Subsequently, he was taken into custody on
My lord, in this case, 29, my lord.
29/2020, and taking into account the nature of appeal, after hearing the land and counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed. Next. Who do appear for something?
Kanpur, my hometown.
Mr. Satya Chapanda from
Obliged.
Item number 121.
21, my lord, 302.
To be CSO. Next.
Item number 122. May I please, your lordship? This is under section 420 IPC. Allegation that he taken 4 lakh rupees from his friend to start up a business.
Kete amount?
4 lakhs.
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି?
1/9/2024.
1/9?
Yes, my lord.
1924. Amount involved is 4 lakhs. Charge sheet ହେଲାଣି?
No, charge sheet.
Investigation has made substantial progress. Allowed next.
Item number 123. May I please, your lords? The corresponding offense, my lord, 394, my lord. The petitioner is a young boy of 22 years, my lord. Allegation is that, my lord, the petitioner, along with others, my lord, attacked the member of Rangajar Vyavasai Sangha. In order to save their lives, they fled away from the spot, my lord. That is the allegation.
କଣ କଲେ?
The petitioner, along with other, my lord, accused the members of Rangajar Vyavasai Sangha. In order to save their lives, the shop owners shut down the shop and fled away from the spot. That is the allegation.
ଏଟା ହଉଛି 394 ର
My lord, 394.
ଏଟା
My lord.
Alright. Considering the submission made by land counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since କେବେଠୁ? କେବେଠୁ କଷ୍ଟଡିରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି?
6/9/2024.
8/9?
6/9/2024.
6/9/24. And taking into account the nature of acquisition and the fact that the investigation has made substantial progress after hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed next.
And 124. Item 127.
127 ମାନେ 457 380 ମାଇଲ 29/8 ରୁ କଷ୍ଟଡି।
କେବେ?
29/8
Yes.
ଗୋଟେ କେସରେ ଆରେଷ୍ଟ ହେଲେ ଏ କେସରେ ରିମାଣ୍ଡ କରିବ।
29/8/2024 ମାଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ
ଆ ପର କେସଟାରେ ଆରେଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଯିବ।
ନେକ୍ସଟ କେସ୍।
Item number 128.
128 ସେମ୍ ମାଇଲ 457 380 এই କେସରେ ଆରେଷ୍ଟ ହେଲେ 29/8
Item number 129.
Mr. Chopra, my lord, offense is 52 of the Odisha Excise Act.
129?
And 52 of the Odisha Excise Act, my lord.
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି?
Custody since, my lord, 29/24.
20/9/2024?
Again.
20/9/2024 magistrate travel offense allowed.
Item number 130.
Not 376
petitioner has been narrated as an accused in a case under section 409, 420 IPC. He is a ex-army personnel working as an assistant manager in a bank. It is alleged that he has transferred 70,000 from the bank's account to his own account on 13/3/2024.
All right, Hard the Land Counsel, Mr. Saktidhar Das, Senior Advocate, custody since 2024. Amount involved is 70,499. Offense is travel by magistrate. It's allowed. Next.
With your permission, if I plead to VC, my lordship. With your permission, if I plead to VC, my lordship.
Number 132.
Yes.
Who is there?
With your permission, if I plead to VC, my lordship.
302 offense, Mr. Counsel. Case diary is not there, so it has to come after Puja holidays. Yes. Next.
Oblige, my lordship.
Number 133.
On 133, 376, 3 is there. I have supplied a copy to the ASC for influence of
Extra copy supplied, notice to be issued. Hala. Now CD, CA, baki victim statement. Yes, next.
Okay.
My lord, date may be fixed. So far as 376 is reached.
Copy
Date may be fixed.
What
happened? We have to intimate.
ଆପଣ intimate କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆର ସପ୍ତାହରେ ଆସିବ ସେ ଆସିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ସପ୍ତାହ ପରେ ଚିଠି ଲେଖିବାରେ ଢିଲା କରନ୍ତୁନି ଆଜି ହିଁ ଲେଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ yes next
Item 134.
134 lordship, 306 lordship. That's my call for the case diary lordship.
all right case diary criminal antecedent yes next
Item 135.
35 initially case registered under 379 against unknown person, my lord. Subsequently, the petitioner was arrested in another case in 23/4/2024, my lord, and remanded to this case, my lord.
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି
On particular date, ଜାଣିନି from month of May.
Confirm କରିବେ
May.
ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଛୁଟି ପରେ adjourn next
Item 136.
136
Madam, 35 Arjun.
adjourn
36 May, please.
yes
It's now implicated on section 420/34 of IPC, my lord. Amount involved is 3,900,000, my lord.
9,000.
9,000, my
To
lord.
purchase a shop at NSC and the 2 CA is there as per rejection order.
custody since 18/9/24 amount in 3,09,000 magistrate travel offense allowed next
Item number 137.
Please, Your Lordship. Under offense under section 420, 34, 468 and 471 of the Indian Penal Code, my lord. And the allegation is that the accused persons were treated 7 lakhs of rupees in lieu of employment. And 4 accused persons are there. In this 25/9, my lord.
25/9/24 amount involved 7 lakhs magistrate travel offense allowed next
Item number 138.
May please, Your Lordship. My lord, offense number 3 offenses, my lord. And injury report, my lord, that is the annex of 2, my lord, page 14. And doctor opined, my lord, the injury due to fall, it has been done, my lord.
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି
Inside custody, my lord, 24/9/24.
24/9/24 taking into account the nature of injury sustained and that investigation has substantially progressed allowed next
Item 139.
Quantity B 2C NDPS Act में commercial quantity CD में भी करता हूँ
CDCA
141 में लड़ the inesperably another कोई कुछ पर्सन
CDCA 141 में भी same
Item 140.
140. 376 T 320 506 120 B.
CDCA so
My lord, co-accused in item number 97, my lord.
co-accused in
Item number 97.
97
my lord.
It is to be listed along with BLAPL number 10395 of 20 Hello? 97
Okay.
Item number 141.
142 na
100. Item number 142.
42 lordship custody since 17/10/2020 The 395 is there.
395.
The coefficient.
CDCA TI parity report. है ना? हाँ.
Item 143. May I please your lordship, my lord, that the petitioner is in custody since
376 case.
My lord.
376 case.
Yes, my lord.
Statement of victim.
Yes. And I have only annexed, my lord. May I invite lord's kind attention to page 114, my lord. 14. The most important is 115. Last but full line.
बॉयस कितने?
Boys at the time of 17 years, 11 months, some odd, my lord. Now it is 18.
15.
No.
4-5 ମାସ ଗୋଟେ ରଖିଲେ ମୋର ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଯାଇଥିଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏକାଠି ଯାଇଥିଲେ
ହଁ
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲାଣି ଭିତରେ କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲାଣି
Milord, so yes, Milord. Custody is, Milord, since Milord 15/5/2024. 15/5/24.
15/5/2024 after going through the statement of the victim recorded under section 161 and 164 CRPC and hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed. Yes, next.
Item 144.
Also praying for after vacancy. Commercial quantity
Okay.
DCA after puja holiday. Yes, next.
Item number 145.
May I please, Your Lordship, on behalf of Mr. Mahanti, my lord, offense under section 307 BNSS, corresponding offense is 382 IPC, my lords. Petitioner is in custody since 3/9/2024, my lord.
3/9/24.
Again.
3/9/24. Magistrate tribal offense allowed. Next.
Hold.
Item 146.
373 is there.
3 is there. Extra copy to be served, notice to be issued. After
my lord, the petitioner has been in judicial custody since, my lord.
Mr. Counsel, it is 376(3) IPC is there, so notice has to go, and you are to serve an extra copy on the State Council, and it will come after a week. In the meantime, he will obtain the case diary and criminal antecedent, right?
Yes, my lord.
Item 147.
147, may I please, Lordship? I'm on VCA, Lordship.
Yeah.
Allegation, Lordship, 4/9/20, 391/34. And the Lordship, the present petition is in custody since, Lordship, 23/4/2024.
He is
involved. And he is remanded in this case, Lordship, 16/5/24.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ 11ଟା କେସ୍ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ comprehensive affidavit ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. Land Counsel for the state has pointed out from the rejection order that there are as many as 11 number of criminal antecedents against the petitioner. Comprehensive affidavit to be filed, CDCA to be obtained. Hello?
And Lordship, petition, my Lordship. 11 antecedents mentioned in the
rejection order भी ଅଛି.
ସେ କେସ୍ ଗୁଡାକର ପୋଜିସନ କଣ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ବେଲ ହେଇଛି କି ନାହିଁ ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ କମ୍ପ୍ରିହେନ୍ସିଭ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା
Item 148.
148, Lordship. Some persons consuming poisonous liquor, Lordship.
103 is there, my lord. That 302.
302 is there.
Yes, sir.
Acha. CD criminal antecedent. Next.
Item 149.
May I please? 376 with other offenses, my lord. Age of the girl is 25.
My statement guy.
That eligible loan.
बॉस 25.
Yes, ma'am.
केबेट रोइलेनी
7/9/24.
एडा देखा जाउनी
ଅଛି
ନା ନା ଏଟା ଭଲ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଣନ୍ତି CDCA 164 ଆଉ medical exemption report. Yes.
Item 150.
302.
302 CDCA.
Item 151.
May I please your lordship? My lord, custody since 7/9/2024, offense under section 3082, 3083, 3096.
IPC offense कौन?
My lord, IPC 384, 385, 394, and 419. All are the equivalent of the 392 of IPC, my lord. My lord, all are
Extortion or robbery, my lord, the highest offense 3082, my lord, 7 years.
अच्छा केबे रोइलेनी?
My lord, custody since 7/9/2024. My lord, 2 persons are arrested. One is granted bail by the session, my lord, but due to one incident against the petitioner, my lord, page number 16.
Criminal antecedent.
My lord, page number 16.
All right, 7/9/24. Offenses are magistrate tribal offense. Nature of investigation has made substantial progress. Allowed. Next. Your name?
My name is S.K.Sahoo, my lord.
Full name. Yes, next.
Item 152.
Okay. Custody since 17/9/24 lordship. 52 of excise actors. 500 liter ID liquor.
केबे रोइलेनी?
17/9/24.
17/9/24 magistrate tribal offense. Allowed. Next.
Item 153.
May I please look? Custody since 1/10/24, 250 liter of ID liquor.
1/10/24.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Magistrate tribal offense. Allowed. Next.
Item 154.
154.
Petitioner is in custody since 13/9/2024 for the alleged commission of offense under section 309 of the BNS Act, which is 309, 379 of
Life
the
up to 10 years. Life
379.
and also up to 10 years.
379.
309.
309.
तारा येटा होची 379 कोण कହୁଛନ୍ତି?
309 केम था? 10 years.
Wait.
379, 3096.
309.
There was a quarrel. Your lordship can kindly see the FIR allegation running page 10.
309. 309 टा robbery अछि pra?
My lord, your lordship can kindly see the FIR.
309 टा
Allegation, your lordship, annexer 10, annexer 1, running page 10.
Wait.
There was a driver and the informant is a passenger of the taxi.
394 thila.
And there was a dispute between the passenger along with the present petitioner with regard to the fare of the vehicle.
Offense टा कोण मु पचार आपण एते कथा मत कहै.
Offense 394.
So now the 394.
6 to 394.
Up to 10 years.
imprisonment for life which कोण कले आपण?
ତା ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡାକ ଧରିକି ପଳେଇଲି ବୋଲି ଦିଶିଦ ଆଲିଗେସନ.
କଣ ଜିନିଷ ଥିଲା?
Laptop, wallet, and there was clothes in the bag.
Recovery ହେଲା?
Recovery was made.
Yes, sir. Para page 13.
Counsel for the petition learned counsel for the state. Custody since 13/9/2024. Items stated to have been stolen away have already been recovered after investigation has been made substantial proof. Hearing the land counsel for the state allowed. Next. Yes.
Item 155. May I please your lordship?
A commercial quantity.
Elected by your lordship the direction to complete the trial within 6 months for the framing of charge, my lord. And my lord, as it seems for the rejection order, the order passed by your lordship was not presented before the honored court.
CDCA status report magi diyantu. Yes. Next.
Item 156.
My lord, on behalf of Brajesh Panda, my lord, the petitioner is in custody since 2024 for the alleged offense under section 307, 126 to 1152.
Injury kon achi?
By means of iron rod aiming to the pot escaped, he did the leg, my lord, and having 2 criminal acts.
Kebil roileni?
14/8/2024.
14/8/2024. Injury sustained on the non-vital part of the body. After hearing the land counsel for the state, bail application is just.
Item 157.
372 and 6 books.
अच्छा, CDCA 164 से नुआटा देखिले वन जेटा पुराना जे दिए थे 164 ले नुआटा देखिले next
Item 158.
My lord, I am in the BC, my lord.
Hmm.
I am permitted to move the bail application.
Yes.
This is a trap case. The petitioner was arrested on 7/10/2024.
କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି କେତେ ଦିନ
7/10 ରୁ ଅଛି।
I had sought for the instructions. Your lordship, I got a class to the instruction. Page 3. Page 3.
Page 3. All right, heard the Mr. Sorochandra Mahapatra, Lang Senior Advocate, considering the
I have already filed my appearance memo yesterday.
Sanjay Kumar Das, Senior Standing Counsel. He has produced the written instruction received from the Inspector Vigilant Subarnapur Unit dated 17/10/2024. Considering the submission made by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody. Petitioner is a कौन से?
Executive engineer.
Executive engineer.
Executive engineer.
Executive engineer.
Tail irrigation, Subarnapur.
Executive engineer of Tail Irrigation Division, Subarnapur. And he is in judicial custody since 7/10/2024. Investigation has made progress in the meantime, and there is no chance of absconding or tampering with the evidence. After hearing Learning Counsel, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition, and he shall appear before the investigating officer as and when required on being noticed, and shall not try to tamper with the evidence. Allowed.
For voice recording, he should appear.
Whenever you issue notice, you will.
For voice sample.
Whatever it may be, yes, sir.
A free copy of the.
Yes.
Item 159. May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, the offences are under section 303, clause 2 of the BNS, corresponding to 379. Your Lordship, this is essentially a dispute, was a long-standing dispute has been there since between the petitioner and the informant's family. Lordship,
Yes, sir, I is out of dispute. Magistrate travel office allowed. Next.
Item 160. Oh, bless you.
160.
3032, my lord, that is 379.
Anticipatory bail application, my lord, 379, 411, 34 of the IPC. The name of the present petitioners are not there in the FIR. In the, my lord, FIR, the middle portion, that he has sold, my lord, motorcycle to me. That is the allegation. I have the receiver of that stolen motorcycle.
Nature of acquisition is the receiver of stolen property. Magistrate travel offense allowed. Next.
There are two prisoners.
Obliged, lord.
Item 161.
May I please, lordship, 280 liters ID liquor and 2940 liters of butcher oil.
Next.
Item 162.
May I please, lordship, offense under 498, 34 and 4 DP, the present person is a husband. Marriage in 2027.
You are the husband?
Yes.
All right. Notice be issued, interim protection granted, and extra copy to be served is to be sent to so-and-so police station for its service on the informant. Interim protection, huh? Okay. Yes.
Item 163.
Sir, my lord, 492 husband.
Same the say order for the interim protection did. Yeah.
Item 164.
Yes, 164. Nobody.
And
no one is there after Puja holidays. Yes.
Item 165.
May it please, your lordship. My lord, there is an allegation against the prisoner under section 137(2) of the BNS corresponding to 363. That is 363, your lordship. Kidnapping.
363.
My lord, the allegation is that the victim girl is 15 years. The father of the victim girl has lost an FIR.
Available offense
Available mu lekhiche agya seta apprehension because the police is going to arrest me in non-bailable offences. I have mentioned it specifically.
FIR has been registered under bailable offense. Let the Learning Counsel for the state obtain instruction whether there is any apprehension of arrest of the petitioner under any non-bearable offenses, non or not, after puja holiday. Yes, next.
Your Lordship, I have stated annexed to I have broken my leg and hospitalized. The police is going to arrest me.
No, it's a bailable offense. I cannot grant anticipation.
But Your Lordship, I have stated specifically that the allegations and the
Yes, next, please.
interimly may be protected till that date, my lord.
166.
I may be protected interimly till that date, my lord.
In-laws.
In-laws.
Husband and in-laws. Husband and in-laws.
Husband and like magistrate tribal offense and matrimonial dispute allowed. Next.
Item 167.
Corresponding IP section 379 by 34, Your Lordship.
Lateral stone.
Lateral stone.
Theft.
379 years.
Yes.
Yes.
As a magistrate tribal offense allowed. Next.
Item 168.
All are in-law members under section 490, 34 and 40 Act.
Allowed magistrate tribal offense, matrimonial dispute. Yes. In-laws like that. In-laws of the informant. Yes.
Item 169.
My lord, I'm in BC, my lord. My lord, the petitioner is a lady, and the incident is of 2008. ତାକୁ କିଛି ପଇସା ନେଇଥିଲା ତା ନାଁରେ ଏତଲା ଟିକେ କରିଦେଇଛି 420 କେସ୍ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ ହେଇଛି
43 lakhs 15,000 95,000
24 रो ये magistrate tribal offense allowed. Next.
Item 170.
May I please, Your Lordship? On BC, I pray, my lord, the matter may be taken after Puja holidays. My lord, senior is out of station.
All right, after Puja holidays.
Item 171.
171, my lord. IPC offenses are 340, 323, 324, 379 of IPC. पैसा भागमंटा को नहीं डिस्प्यूट अछि
on IPC offense कौन होबो?
340, 323, 324, 379.
All right, previous dispute was there. There was previous dispute and magistrate tribal offenses. It is allowed. Considering the submission made by the land council for the due to previous dispute between the parties, the case has been foisted. Offenses are triable by magistrate, and after hearing the land council for the state, I am inclined to release the petition on bail allowed. Next.
Item 172.
My lord, I'm in BC, my lord. Offense on 341, 323, 390, 324, all are valuable, my lord. All are
only
magistrate tribal. Only 506.
Okay, 506 is the only non-bailable offenses. All are offenses magistrate tribal allowed. Next.
Item 173.
May I please your the petition is the husband, my lord, 492, 313.
All right, notice to be issued. Interim protection since offenses matrimonial dispute. Notice to be issued to the informant. Extra copy to be served. Interim protection given.
Item 174.
May I please, my lord? My lord, corresponding offences are 323, 380, 452, 506, 34 of IPC. Allegation against the petitioner is that on the relevant day while purchasing of liquor,
333 and 351 as the my lord 7 years house 333 house trespass 351 3 my lord criminal interference.
Magistrate
380
nature of acquisition allowed. Next.
Item 174.
174 Pralapana. 175.
175.
May I please your lordship the corresponding offense is my lord 341, 323, 294, 380, 506. So far allegation of 380 is concerned. 305 टा होचे 380 or 7 years.
कौन है कौन कले?
So ता घरे पसी the informants scolded the brother of the present petitioner for there was a quarrel and the present petitioner gave a
same village.
Same village.
Like co-villager previous dispute was there. Magistrate tribal offense allowed. Yes.
Item 176.
76 is my lord similar to 73 my lord. Petitioners are in-laws.
अच्छा এটা হচ্ছে in-laws of the informant है ना case arises out of matrimonial dispute allowed.
Item 177.
Wait, this is offense under section 296. Subsection 5, 318, subsection.
What is the corresponding IPC offenses?
My lord, 4 is my lord cheating 7 years. 415. Old for 4.
କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା କଣ?
Actually, FIR allegation.
ମାଇକ୍ ରେ ଠିକ ସେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଶୁଭୁନି.
So as per FIR allegation, 2 lakh something. Previously, a complaint case was filed by the petitioners against the informant in the year of 2023.
Polite nature of acquisition magistrate tribal offense hearing the land council for the state. It is allowed. Next.
Item 178.
Please, my lord, offences relating to 199, 296, 126, 2, 115, 351, 299 and 190 of Bharatiya.
Matter relating to Bhadrak writing. Bhadrak writing. The lordship, my lord, may call it after my lord vacation. Will take
My lord, it is a young boy, a +2 student. He has no role, only for him.
Submit that he has to obtain instruction after puja holiday, considering the submission made by the land council for the petitioner that the petitioner is a young boy, as at about 18 years and is a college student. Interim protection granted.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 179.
branch manager of State Bank of India, my lord, into the married ladies. Allegation, my lord, 419 to 68, my lord, that some transaction was there in the bank, my lord, and her loan was sanctioned. And it is found that the petitioner is the branch manager. She has sanctioned the loan, my lord. The person who has taken the loan found to be, my lord, fake. And they are claiming themselves to the fourth.
To obtain instruction,
Yes.
Instruction to be obtained, CDCF to be produced, taking into account that the petitioner is a lady and she was the branch manager of SBI Jayadev Bihar branch. Interim protection is granted. She has to cooperate. Interim protection is on condition format actually. Yes.
Item 180.
Please, your lordship. My lord, after 22 years of marriage, wife lost affair against
490 husband.
321, 498A.
Extra copy देवे notice go. Husband of the informant, interim protection, matrimonial dispute. Yes.
Item 181.
181.
May I please, your lordship? Offences are 419, 420, 467, 468, 471, my lord. Allegation is that other accused persons, they have formed a company, have cheated the informant to the tune of 40 lakhs. And while this present petitioner was a middleman by alluring him to make an investment, but he has not taken a single pie.
Let's see the CA to be obtained and interim protection granted. Yes, next.
Like.
Item 182.
May I please, lordship? Lord, the alleged offences are under section 325 of IPC. The FIR allegation is that while the present petitioner was performing the fire breathing show, the
25 is a bailable offense, madam.
Well, that 118,
188
is there, that is corresponding to 324, 326.
326.
Yes.
325 is available. 118 2 lekha hai ji.
Yes, my lord, 118.2.
Yes.
That is non-billable, my lord.
FIR copy not given.
Not 118 subsection 2. 118
that is, my lord, 326.
Voluntary.
325.
118 2.
What is the injury, ma'am?
Lord, I have no instruction.
You have no instruction. The land council for
Lord, may I submit something?
time to obtain the case diary as well as the criminal antecedent, if any, put of this matter after puja holiday, interim protection granted. Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 183.
183, may I please, your lordship, madam? Corresponding offence is 379 of IPC, my lordship. Pipe chori kori allegation.
Master travel offense allowed. Next.
Grateful.
Item 184.
137-2, my lord, kidnapping of minor girl having 7 years.
Okay, after Puja holidays, CBCA.
17 years.
180.
Item 185.
185, my lord.
All offences are bailable in nature, my lord.
Bailable offences are not
Liberty
maintainable.
to surrender.
Yes.
Item 186.
Officer section 47 A and F of Bihar Rules Excise Act. 150 liter of ideal liquor along with 3500 kg of FM Guruvas, which has been seized from the backside of my house.
Seconds. 3,500 Mahula Guda.
FM Gur was and 150 liter of ideal liquor has been seized from backside of my house.
Magistrate travel offense allowed much.
Item 187.
87 corresponding section for 406 and 420 of the IPC.
IPC offense.
Yes, yes.
420 and
420.
Yes, but the petitioner or driver, they are not related to the offense manner. The accused number 1 making a false challan sold to the accused number 2, and they are all the 3 petitioners are the only driver of the tripper.
All right, petitioners are the driver of the vehicle offense triable by magistrate or ordinance.
Item 188.
On behalf of all offences are bailable in nature, madam.
Bailable offences not maintainable, disposed of.
Item 189.
Offense 420-34 of IPC, Your Lordship. But the allegation is that earlier he have taken 38,000, 33,000 from the petitioner have taken to give him cement, which he has assured and given, my lord. Again, he have taken 48,000 and he have not written. That is the only allegation. Where he have given a check which has been
amount of 48.
Amount of 48,000.
Yes.
That is false, Your Lordship.
Magistrate tribal offense taking into account the amount of money involved in the case, nature of accusation, it is allowed. Next.
Item 190.
May I please, Your Lordship, the offences are under section 354, 294, 323, 506, and 34, the corresponding sections, my lord, of IPC, my lord. The allegation against the petitioner is 354 re ki mo kandare hath pakaile ebong mate kharab kotha kahile. That's the only allegation against me. But may I read the FIR?
You are the conductor of the
Conductor of the bus.
Yes,
and you have done all these things. Brace Shirdi Chandu. No, you surrender. Surrender and move for bail.
my lord, there is no such allegations against me, my lord. My lord, may consider, my lord, there are 2 other for assaulted, my lord.
Next item number.
May I please, Your Lordship? Offense, my lord, 420, 468, 471 of IPC, my lord. Allegation by the elder brother against all other brothers that in the year 2009, my lord, all other brothers, the petitioners, sold some property without
related to the informant. Civil dispute between the parties. Magistrate tribal offense allowed. Next.
Okay.
Item 193.
Dhamnagar
92 ta withdraw age. 193. Yes, 93.
Lord, sir.
Offense under section.
Dhamnagar Ranga case was recently.
Bhadrak,
Let's call for the city and interpretation.
Put up this matter. Say case.
Yes, say. Arranging out of that.
Please this matter along with kitne number seta?
I'm just it.
That is another affair, my
No, another
This affair is another affair.
Acha.
Matter relating to Bhadrak Road, my lord, but
Okay,
this affair is another.
it is to be taken up after Puja holidays. Hala? Some instruction to be obtained by State Council as stated. Hala? Interim protection grant. Yes, next.
Item 178.
Se kojini alga affair boli.
Different arising out of
different place, a different way.
All right.
Incident.
Yes, yes. Interim protection grant.
Item 194.
Petitioner name not in FIR, my lord. 95 years old. Only ଘର ଭଡା ଦେଇଥିଲେ ସେ
Offense
419, 420.
419
ये landlord और tenant dispute.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେ ଘର ଭଡା ଦେଇଥିଲେ ସେ ତାକୁ ନେଇକି ଡାକ୍ତରୀ କରୁଥିଲା ଯୋଉ କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡର।
Okay, nature of
Yeah, only
acquisition,
for
magistrate
Malik.
tribal offenses, है ना? After hearing the land council for the state, it is allowed. Next.
Item 195.
95. All the options are available nature.
Offenses valuable in nature, not maintainable, disposed of. Yes, next.
Item 196.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, 118.2 of BNS corresponding 326 of IPC.
326.
My lord. Injury on head, but he has already recovered. He has been recovered, my lord.
Where is the injury report?
Maybe call for my
ডাক্তারখানাକୁ ନେଲୁ ଅଧିକା ଚିକିତ୍ସା ହିଁ ବିଶାଖାପାଟଣା କଥା ହଉଥିଲା ଗୁରୁ ଆଚ୍ଛା CD CA injury report after Puja holidays. Yes, next.
interim protection. Petitioner number 2 is a lady, my lord. That may be, she may be protected.
Number 2 the lady, the interim protection given.
Probably.
May I please, my lord, the alleged offences are section 498A 34 of IPC and section 4 of DP Act. Not a single word whispered in the affair about payment of dowry.
Husband and in-law.
Husband and in-law.
Husband and in-law matrimonial dispute allowed for them. है ना? Yes, next. Tribal offense. Yes, next.
Item 198.
198 may I please. FIR lodged against unknown person offense under section 305, 331.
ये IPC offense कौन होती है?
IPC BNS offense मिलती है. The IPC of 506, 351 clause 2 and 507 and 380 of IPC.
कौन कर ले अपन? What is the allegation against you?
Allegation is the present person was implicated on the statement of the principal accused. Allegation against the when the unknown persons has committed theft of gold and ornaments and cash and broke the lock of the main door of the informant. Thereafter, the has been lodged against the accused persons when the principal accused, who is the S.K. Rajit.
He was arrested.
The principal accused is arrested. Principal accused S.K. Rajit is arrested.
Land Council for the petition, Land Council for the state submits that the offences are travelled by magistrate and the petitioner's involvement in the case is based on the confessional statement of co-accused before police. After hearing the Land Council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Allowed. Next.
Obliged.
Item 199.
May I please, lordship? The IPC offences 341, 323, 294, 506 and 354 IPC. Which is the case and counter case. Both are from one village. Sabodha ko kendra kari.
Case and counter case. Co-villagers, magistrate tribal offences allowed. Next.
Item 200.
379, 323, 294. Dispute between the driver and owner. It is alleged that during of the quarrel, he snatched away my chain.
Right, magistrate tribal offense. It's a dispute between the driver and owner of the vehicle. Allowed. Yeah.
Item 201.
That's under section 297, 35 and 318.
IPC offense कौन?
420, 294A by 34 of the Indian Penal Code. 7 of the lottery as
कौन करथिले?
That one person was arrested on the spot, my lord, and on the statement of his statement that the name of the
petitioner's involvement is based on the confessional statement of co-accused before police. Master travel offense allowed. Next.
Next same similar other
Same case ru.
similar matter. No, same no other offense.
Ah.
Another affair matter in another person matter. Same.
Different affair 558 and 559.
Matter.
All right. Allowed. Accusation confessional statement of work which are like same thing. Yes.
Item 202.
May I please, Lord? 420 along with other offences, my lord. Co-accused statement, the petition have been implicated as page 13, your lordship kindly that on 14/2/2023, his brother-in-law, Rabindra Sahu, has received 5 lakhs rupees in different dates.
ମୁଁ ଜମି ବିକ୍ରୟ ବାବଦକୁ 41 ଲକ୍ଷ
Page 12,
40,000
last
ଟଙ୍କା
part.
ସଞ୍ଜୟ ବର୍ଗ
As per statement of Krishna Chandra Chaudhary had received a cash of rupees 15 lakhs and 14/2/23, his brother-in-law, Rabindra Sahu, had received 5 lakhs in different dates.
All right, magistrate tribal offences and the amount involved so far as the petitioner is concerned and hearing the land council for the state, it is allowed. Next.
Obliged.
Item 204.
Pleasures. Corresponding IPC offences related to 323, 341, 294, 34, 380, 506, 354 IPC lordship. तो केस एंड काउंटर केस छोट पिलाटे पशिगला मोर मोटरसाइकेल तलको तापरे पेरेंट्स माने पाटितुंड होइकरी केस एंड काउंटर केस
magistrate tribal offence allowed. Next.
Item 205.
May I please, my lord? Offenses are 147, 148, 294.
This is also Dhamnagar Danga case.
Acha, you have to obtain instruction after puja holidays, interim production granted.
Oblige, my lord.
Yeah.
Item 206.
No one is there. CDCA lagi देंगे.
Item 207.
May I please? Lordship, the offences under section 420, 506 and 406, Your Lordship. The allegation is that the petitioner allegedly took some money to register a land, and after 5 days he issued a check which got bounced.
Complaint petition arise करची.
Yes, sir.
56.3.
Yes, sir.
Arises out of a complaint petition and offences are triable by magistrate. Case is basically dispute of civil nature allowed. Yes, next.
Item 208.
198 petition is the husband lordship.
Issue notice कर दिया तो matrimonial dispute is the husband interim protection.
Next is the in-law lordship.
Next allow कर देवे in-laws matrimonial dispute allowed.
Obliged.
Item 209.
Allowed.
Item 2010.
Corresponding offense 498, 323, 354,
498.
Yes, madam.
तापरे?
The 323, 354, 379, 506, 31. Husband and in-laws, my lord.
अच्छा.
Brother-in-law and sister-in-law.
Matrimonial dispute, nature of acquisition, the husband and in-laws are not allowed for them. Yes, next.
Item 211.
11, my lords. The informant has drafted a peculiar and unique affair and offense under section 294, 323, 324, 506 and 307 of the IPC.
Report to the Bulla.
कौन है ना बापा मरिगले भोजी देले से भोजी रे
Bulla has been referred to the
state council
भोजी रे बॉयलर कुकुड़ा काई रोसे ही देसी कुकुड़ा काई नहीं सेटा I guess
put up after puja holidays. Next.
Item 2
interim protection
Bulla hospital ଅଛି
ମାନେ interim protection ବାପା ମରିଗଲେ ସେଥିରେ
302 ହେଇଯିବଣି କଣ ଦେଖାओ
already discharged from hospital mala I have instruction
कागज पत्र କିଛି ନାହିଁ ନା. Next item number 212. Yes.
212 also Dhamnagar.
अच्छा এটা instruction নেবে interim production দিয়ে দেন.
Obliged.
Item 213.
My lord, item number 213, 214,
19, 220 and 221 arising out of it, my lord, same case.
219,
219, 220 and 221.
220 plus 221.
My lord.
लिख ले चैप्टर नंबर 213, 219, 220, 221. हाँ कौन है लाइडा?
My lord, offense under section 126 2, 127 2, 115 2, 74, 199, 351 3, 350 BNS. My lord, corresponding to 341, 342, 321,
हाँ
354,
आउथर कौन
166 and
आईपीसी
34
आईपीसी ऑफेंस गुड़ा आउथर कौन?
My lord, 341, 342, 321, 354, 166 of IPC along with section 34 of IPC. My lord.
कौन allegation कौन आशु?
My lord, it is arising out of a CIDCBPS case number 11 of 2024. All the petitioners are by profession they are police.
What you have done?
My lord.
Huh?
That the Bharatpur incident, that inside the police stations they have
अच्छा अच्छा हो आसु एटा छुट्टी परे आपण इंस्ट्रक्शन
Item number 213 and 220. Petitioners are lady, my lord.
कोटा 213 टा तो
213 बिलासिनी पंडा
नहीं नहीं 213 टा तो इंस्ट्रक्शन पे रहला आफ्टर पूजा हॉलिडेज.
My lord.
लेडी टा कोटा को
My lord, बिलासिनी पंडा also lady, my lord. 213.
213 नो गोटे लेडी अछि.
Again, good sole petitioner. She is the lady.
SI and a constable and a ASI.
213 टा
interim
protection दियंतु हैला लेडी करी किन हैला आ गोटा कोटा कोन कहले
लेडी 220
219 220 222
220 200 डेजिग्नेशन गुडा लिखिते हैला 220 रे कोन अछि से
ASI 220 ASI 221 ASI लेडीज
219 बलराम हंसता
এটা হচ্ছে জেন্টস
না
কনস্টেবল
No, have you obtained any instruction in this matter?
No, my lord, sir.
This is incident.
Of that
You delete that interim protection. You delete all these matters should come after puja holiday. This one is then
219 220 221
interim protection काटी दे खाली instruction पे रखी है. आउट होची item number 221. Learned counsel for the states takes some time to obtain instruction in the matter and to produce the case diary. Huh?
Item 214.
My lord, all the petition are interim protected.
No interim protection granted. It will come next week. Yes.
My lord.
Next.
My lord.
Item number 214.
Lady petition. My lord.
Yes, let it come.
Okay.
Concessional case. Yes, item 214. After puja holidays.
Item 215.
May I please?
15.
The offences under section 294, 323, 354, 506 and 34, your lordship.
Yes, what you have done?
Lordship, petition number 2 is the father of the informant and the petition number 1 is the grandfather of the informant, your lordship.
Right, related to the informant, magistrate travel offence allowed next week.
Much obliged.
Item 216.
216, my lord. Offense under section 306 BNS, my lord. The allegation is that theft of unknown person committed theft of
IPC
materials. IPC, my lord, 379.
379.
My lord, theft of materials in a Indus Tower Limited, Pahalpur, my lord. Petitioner is the employee of the Indus Tower, my lord. It is unknown persons committed theft, and thereafter it has been mentioned the petitioner and co-accused Saurabh Mahanti are employee of the company FSC Indus Towers. They visited the tower at about 4:30 p.m. to check the equipment as their duty, my lord, and the informant suspected that the petitioners or unknown persons committed theft.
All right, considering the nature of accusation and the fact that the offences are triable by magistrate after hearing the land counsel for the state, it is allowed. Next.
Item 217.
We have Mr. Divedi, my lord. 52A Odisha Excise, my lord, regarding selling of foreign liquor, my lord, Kingfisher and Magdo. By seeing the police person.
Okay. Magistrate tribal offense allowed. Next.
Item 218.
My lord, petitioner engaged senior counsel Mr. Dipidhara Pile.
You want adjournment?
Yes, my lord.
Adjourn. Next.
Item 222.
My lord, the offences are magistrate tribal offences. 420, 467, 468, 471. The petitioner is the lady. The allegation is that, my lord, while my lord submitting the certificate for the post of Anganwadi worker, my lord, he submitted a certificate of National Open School, my lord, that subsequently, my lord, found forgery, my lord. But the CDPO, my lord, returned to the higher authority that they said school, my lord, but
surrender kon same day disposal. Surrender same day disposal kar diyanti. Like correct case records to be made available. Next.
Item 223.
May I please? All the offences are available except 506, my lord. Corresponding offenses 323, 324, 294, 506. Only 506 is not. Yes, ma'am.
Four villagers previous dispute were there. 506 no corresponding section rauchi. Kete 506 no.
506 351 2.
51 2 is the only non-bailable offense allowed. Next.
Item 224.
224 na.
Initially, FIR has been registered, lordship, the bailable nature, lordship.
Available?
Yes, lordship.
363 that's na.
363 available na.
No, for them recovery na, so
it may turn to subsequently, lordship.
Then you take instruction. The Land and Council for the state petitioner submits that the offences under which this has been registered are bailable offences. However, since the victim is yet to be rescued, there is likelihood of the case being turned to non-bailable offense. Let the Land Council for the state obtain instruction as to whether the case has been registered under any any non-bailable offense has been added to the case or not. Put up this matter after Puja holiday. Yes, next.
Interpretation may be given.
No. Now it is not maintainable. We'll see after. Yes, next.
May I please, my lord?
Item 225.
The IPC offense, my lord, 341, 354, 294, 323, 34 IPC. Petition number 3 is the old lady.
341.
My lord, 126.2 BNS.
324. Outside Kondu.
74 354. 297, 294. 115, 323, 34 IPC. The prosecution allegation, my lord, the police station and presented a report. She was alone in her at that time. The FIR named accused persons enter her house, abused in the absence language, dragged her sorry and petition number 3 old lady 2 years old.
Considering the nature of accusation against the petitioner and there was previous dispute, magistrate tribal offense, it is allowed. Next.
Item 226.
Bailable in offense, my lord.
Bailable offense. Not maintainable, disposed of. Bailable offense. No?
Item 227.
My lord, the corresponding section under IPCR 323, 294, 506, 34 of IPC, my lord. All tribal by magistrate.
कौन होइतला कौन कले
ମାନେ dispute between two brothers and due to land dispute, my lord.
or it civil dispute between the parties and magistrate tribal offense, it is allowed. Yes.
Public.
Item 228.
Corresponding IPC offences under 294, 34, 420, 506 IPC lordship. The allegations that the present petitioners taken money from the government $50,000 and on repeated actions they are not paying and only 10,000 returned. That is the allegation.
Dispute between the parties is basically civil in nature. Offences are triable by magistrate. Allowed. Next.
Hon'Ble.
Item 229.
Non appears after puja holidays.
Item 230.
May I please? Corresponding offences 294, 506, 380, 34 and 427 of IP. Due to previous dispute, it is alleged that they have broke the vehicles and taken away 2 goods.
All right, magistrate tribal offences, previous dispute is there. Is allowed. Next.
Item 231.
Offences under section 294, 420, 506, 34. False assurance to engage him in railway department, 10 lakh rupees being taken by the petitioner and another. One of the accused has already been released, my lord. From this honorable court, I am passing the order. Regular bail.
All right, please surrender and move for bail. And similarly situated co-accused stated to have been released on bail. Claim of parity to be taken into account. Yes.
Item 232.
Case and counter case. Corresponding offences are 323, 341, 294, 379, 506, 34 of IPC. All right, case counter case, magistrate tribal offences allowed. Next. Obliged.
Item 233.
52
Magistrate tribal offence allowed. Next.
234.
234 Kinanti after puja holidays.
235.
235 on behalf of Mr. Mahanti, my lord. 41A notice has been complied by the petitioner.
All right, 41A notice issued and it has been complied. There is no apprehension of arrest, therefore that is disposed of. Hello.
Item 236.
My lord, 236 traveler mastered, my lord. Tractor battery nahi hele, tractor nahi lagega. Monetary dispute.
There was monetary dispute between the state tribal offences allowed. Next.
237.
Non appears after puja holidays.
Item 238.
Mr. Samantha not available.
Huh?
Mr. Samantha not available. Next.
Mr. Sahoo.
Samantha.
Samantra stated
in this case also we are short for the instruction.
Stated that adjournment is sought for after puja holidays. Yes.
Item 239.
I am busy. And 18 clause 2 is only non-available. It is a political case, case counter case, my lord. No specific overtake. It is
on
not
offense kono?
My lord.
Offense kono?
Offense, my lord. Here, my lord, in IPC, my lord, 147, 148, 149, 294, 506, 323, 325, 320.
All right, case and counter case, magistrate tribal offences taking into account the nature of accusation. Hearing the state council, it is allowed. Next.
Oblige, my lord.
Item 240.
Chali choro, my lord. 3
Chali.
goats has been stolen, 2 apprehended, my lord, and 1 has been stolen by the petitioner.
What is the offense? IPC offense?
305 and 34. 379 that is.
All right, magistrate tribal offense allowed. This. Next.
Oblige, my lord.
Item 241.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, under sections 485, 126, 2, 296, 115, 2 and 351, 2 of BNS corresponding to 498A, 341, 294, 323 and 506 of my
498A.
Yes, my lord.
Then
341, 294, 323, 506 of IPC, my
ये
lord.
मैंने किए.
I am the husband.
अच्छा, notice issue to the opposite party number 2, extra copy to be served, interim protection granted. Yes.
Obligement.
Item
On offense count. All right, same order as the previous one. Interim protection granted, notice to be issued, extra copy to be served. Yes, next.
item 243.
May I please, your lordship? Well, the offense letter 420, 34 IPC, your lordship. 420 and 34 IPC.
On allegation?
Well, allegation is that the petitioner along with his son took a photo and Aadhaar card and opened an account in the name of her sons and took away the pension money, but it is totally fraudulent and number which has been provided 60 not petitioners also.
Pension to नहीं गले.
Pension है कालिया योजना and किसान at the bank account.
Asu eta instruction after puja holidays कर दिया उनको instruction to be obtained. Next.
My lord, interim.
Item 244.
CPCA interim protection दे दूँ.
Much obliged to lordship.
My lord, in item 244, my lord, I beg to appear on behalf of the petitioner, my lord. My lord, the offences alleged against me are under IPC sections 420, 467 and 468. My lord, the dispute here is essentially of civil nature and concerns a breach of contract. My lord, the informant had granted a contract to a partnership firm. The petitioner is one of the 4 partners of the firm. The allegation is that the firm had failed to uphold its contractual obligation and submit a proper bank guarantee. The contract has been terminated, and now this present FIR has been filed against the partnership firm, my lord. My lord, this is my application for transit anticipatory bail, my lord. The FIR has been lodged in West Bengal. My lord, I have been unable to approach the courts in Calcutta due to the ensuing puja vacation, my lord. I am simply interim protection, my lord, till 4th
Your
October.
vacation will be over after puja holidays. Next.
Yes, my lord, I am simply seeking protection till 4th October, my lord. My lord, kindly grant bond, my lord.
Yes, next.
May I please, your lordship? 323, 341, 294, 506. 506 is the only non-available offense. Dispute in the sweet stall for my lord delivery of the parcel, and for that reason, that is the
which is the non-billable offense.
506 is the only non-billable.
That is the corresponding to
506, my lord, corresponding to 351 subclause 2.
2.
Subclause 2.
351.2 is the only non-billable offense, and other offenses, all the offenses are triable by magistrate. It is allowed. Next.
Obliged.
Item 246.
On behalf of Mr. Pradhan, my lord. 294, 341, 323, 326, 448, 506, 506 of IPC, my lord. It's a dispute between the brothers, my lord. The present petitioner is the younger brother of the informant.
The petitioners and the informant are related to each other. Property dispute is there. Offenses are triable by magistrate. Only non-billable offense is 506. Allowed. Next.
Item 247.
Please, your lordship, on behalf of Mr. S. Mantik, lordship, the offences are under section 307 BNS corresponding to 382
IPC offense?
382 IPC.
382.
Lordship,
What is the nature of accusation against you?
Your lordship, the allegations are that 50 to 70 people were trying to steal certain mining materials, your lordship, and there are no specific allegations against the present petition.
Swanso, logistic protesting, loaded with Swanso, attack the traditional. All right, like example. Allegations are omnibus in nature, say triable by magistrate. Allowed. Next.
Item 248.
May I please, your lordship, item number 248.
Allowed.
Item number 248, your lordship. The alleged offences are related to IPC, your lordship, 339, 323, 325 and 34, your lordship. There are more than 5 number of persons, your lordship, so there is reasonable apprehension, Your Lordship, as it might be tried by Court of Session, Your Lordship. And the allegations are, it is a case and counter case, Your Lordship, and there is grievous hurt, Your Lordship. The informant group came to our house for robbery, Your Lordship, and inadvertently there has been
All right, your case diary. Okay. Case diary, CA and injury reports, huh? And interim protection is granted. Yes, next.
Obliged.
Item 249.
My lord, 52(1) of Odisha Excise Act, 540 liters of ID liquor.
All right, magistrate tribal offense allowed.
Item 250.
May I begin to please your lordship, my lord? My lord, the corresponding offences are 341, 294, 323, 506, 307, 34 IPs, my lord.
307 is there.
My lord.
What is the
case and counter case, my lord?
allegation कौन अछि?
Allegation मु छिड़ा हितिली मु बेकु आसी चिपी देले खराब भाषार गाली गुलज कले।
बेकु चिपी देले?
आगे।
Assign go down the so.
One of the accused had been enlarged on bail, my lord. Petitioner 2, my.
Petition number 2.
My lord.
अच्छा बेल माने कौन रेगुलर अरेस्ट हला परे
arrest and bail by the
learned counsel for the petitioner submit petitioner number 2 Pratap Alisa Banko Chandra Mahanti has been arrested in view of the submission. This anticipatory bail application, so far as petition number 2 is concerned, has become infructuous. So far as petition number 1 and 3 are concerned, land counsel for the petitioner submits that though the offense has been registered inter alia for 307 ର ଏଟା କଣ
ମୁଁ ଛିଡା ହେଇଥିଲି ମତେ ଖରାପ ଭାଷାରେ ଗାଳି ଗୁଲଜ
corresponding BNS ର
109
109 of the so and so there is no corresponding injury to attract the ingredients of the offense and the allegations are omnibus in nature. After hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioners number 1 and 3 on anticipatory bail. 1 and 3 P2 infructuous. Yes, next.
Obliged, ma'am.
Item 251.
May I please, Lordship, on behalf of Suryakant Dwivedi, Lordship, corresponding offences, Lordship, 294, 34, 453, 506, 344, 323, 341 IPC, allowing 25, 27 arms are, Lordship. It is a case and counter case, Lordship. And the
कौन करले आपण
354 allegation, Lordship, the लुगापटा टणाटरा करले, Lordship.
20 आउंटले क्यों मो स्वामी
Case 11, Lordship.
लुगापटा टणाटरा हसो अच्छा आपण को जो के एफआईआर कॉपी टा देइछंदी
Yes, Lordship.
All right, hard the land counsel for the petition, land counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the land counsel for the that it is a case and counter case, and taking into account the nature of accusation and that the offences are traveled by magistrate. I am inclined to release the petitioners on anticipatory bail allowed. Next.
Item 252.
May I please, Your Lordship? My corresponding offences are 498A, 294, 506, 109 of IPC. And husband, man.
Husband, 498, 294, 506. Husband, here is the husband.
He is the husband, matrimonial dispute, interim protection to be granted. Yes, extra copy to be served for them. Yes, next.
My lord, notice.
Notice.
My lord.
Item 253.
May I please, Your Lordship? It is a case and counter case, my lord. They are belonging to offense corresponding offense IPCL of 506, 323, 354, 294, 442, 34 IPC, my lord. Initially, we lodged an FIR, my lord. In order to counter the case, they lodged an FIR that
your against you.
Yes, Annexure 1. Against them, Annexure 2, my lord.
For that case and counter case, magistrate travel offense, taking into account the nature of accusation, it is allowed. Next.
Blessed.
Item 254.
May I please? Petitioner University Villagers, my lord. They have been such implicated in
Wildlife Protection Act.
my lord.
So
And section
should
9
be
and 39
another
of the
criminal
Wildlife Protection Act,
antecedent
punishable under 51 of the
after
said act.
Puja holiday. Yes.
They have not been named in the FIR.
Mr. Counsel, unless criminal antecedent is called for, it can end. So there is a bar under that Wildlife Protection Act to grant anticipatory bail. Yes, next.
Item 255.
But similar to 252 for 498A, my lord. But here the petitioner is the husband claims that he loves the petitioner.
Acha. Second wife, that alleged second wife.
My lord, but there is no marriage, my lord. Se କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ଭଲ ପାଉଛି ତାକୁ ବାହା ହେବି.
Second wife କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା କରିଦେଇକି allow କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. Yes, next.
I mean, pardon, I don't know 51. Co-accused person has been granted bail. And it's a two, I have filed.
It's all right. It will come after Puja holiday. Yes, next.
Item 56.
My lord, this is case of offense under section 303 bracket 2 and 317 in bracket 2. And 303 bracket 2 is equals to 445 house break of IPC, my lord. And 317 bracket 2 is equals to 411. Dishonestly receiving stolen property, my lord. When allegation is the receive stolen iron waste materials, my lord. And I am not at the spot, my lord. I have been implicated on the statement of the co-accused, my lord.
All right. Magistrate tribal offense implicated on the basis of the confessional statement of co-accused. Allowed. Next. List.
Item 257.
Please, your lordship, my lord. Case and counter case, my lord. My lord, offense under section 296, 1152, 1181, 3513, 35 BNS, and 2527 Arms Act, my lord. Allegation, my lord.
Corresponding IPC offenses are?
IPC offense only 294, 323, 326, 506, and 2527 Arms Act. ବନ୍ଧୁକର ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଲିଗେସନ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ବନ୍ଧୁକ ଧରି ଆସି ପହଞ୍ଚିଲେ ଏବଂ ସାର୍ଟ କଟିଂ ୱେପନରେ ଆସଲ୍ଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି
326 ରହୁଛି ମୁଣ୍ଡରୁ ବାହାରିବା ମାତ୍ରେ ଆମେ ତଳେ ପଡିଗଲୁ ଆମେ ମରିଗଲୁ ଭାବି ମର୍ଡର କଲେ ତାପରେ ଜୁଡବୁଡ ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ନୀଳଗିରି ହସ୍ପିଟାଲକୁ ଆଣି ଭର୍ତ୍ତି କରାଇଲେ ଆମେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ନୀଳଗିରି ହସ୍ପିଟାଲରେ ଜୀବନ ମରଣ ସହିତ ସଂଗ୍ରାମ କରୁଛୁ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି all right CDCA taking into account that it's a case and counter case and interim protection be granted. All right. Yes.
Item 258.
Eta CDCA injury report आनिबे हला injury report.
Corresponding IPC offenses are 341, 294, 323, 379, 506, and 509 IPC, my lord. In this case, my lord, the allegation was that while the informant was talking with one Naib Sarpanch, the present petitioner came and attacked him and taken away the one bracelet and some amount of money, my lord. The statement of the eyewitness, this Naib Sarpanch statement is at page 13. He has taken only the exchange of words is there. Page 13, Venudhara Parida is the Naib Sarpanch at the
Learned counsel for the petition, learned counsel for the state, considering the nature of dispute between the parties, the fact that the offenses are triable by magistrate, and the 161 CRPC statement of Venudhar Parida, which is annexed to the interim application or to the bail application, anticipatory bail application. I'm inclined to release the petitioner on anticipatory bail. Allowed. Next.
Item 259.
This is an offense under section IPC, my lord, 403, 405, 420, 424.
It's a complaint case.
My lord,
complaint case.
This is out of complaint case, my lord.
No, where is the FIR?
FIR then, no,
FIR not registered.
No, FIR already number is there, my lord.
No, you have not given that.
Your lordship, this is a case, your lordship. Remember, your lordship has already division page passed at 13 to 13.4, and their same bank during pendency of this rate application, my lord, they filed a complaint case, and your lordship already.
Mr. Counsel, I just want to know whether this 1cc case has been referred to the station or not. So why have you not given that formal FIR?
No, that has already been registered. Capital PS case number. Oh, no, he has mentioned in the petition. No.
This should have been actually given. This.
Capital PS case number they have mentioned.
What is the allegation?
Allegation, I have taken 49 lakhs of loan, my lord. Your lordship, I have threatened to notice, I have challenged here during 21/2024. They have filed a complaint case in 21/9/2024, my lord.
The law and counsel for the petitioner filed the copy of the FIR taken on record. Law and counsel for the state seeks some time to obtain instruction on the matter. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner that the case arises out of a complaint petition, and further the background of the case as an interim measure, interim protection is granted. Yes.
Item 260.
Only, my lord, 506 is a non-value offense, my lord. Others are available in nature, my lord. And in the meantime, charge sheet has been submitted against the present prisoner. 341, 324, 506, 427 of IPC. Allegation that while the informant
06 is only non-available, allow magistrate. Yes, next.
Item 261.
Corresponding IPC offenses, my lord, 341, 323, 448, 294, 354, 506, 34 IPC, my lord. Only non-value 354 and 506, my lord.
कौन कॉल 354 allegation?
Assaulted, my lord.
इनका गांव लोग ना
20 आया 20 हमारी घर भीतर पसी गले
और परिवार को बुझाले हानि जीवन मारी से कर दे ए सब मो जियो और बाहर पड़े ना
petitioner, there are 4 villagers, previous dispute were there. Magistrate tribal office. Non-available offenses are
74, 351,
74 and
351, 2.
351 2 of Bharatiya BNS.
Right.
So, yes, next.
Item 262.
My lord, corresponding IPC offences are 294, 506 IPC. Allegation is the abuse and threatened to kill. Quarrel between advocate and advocate clerk.
Allowed advocate and advocate clerk dispute and offences are travel in magistrate allowed next.
Item 263.
Case and counter case, lordship. IPC offenses, lordship 307, 323, 327, 147,
307 is there.
Yes, lordship. So far as 307 is concerned, your lordship. Your lordship, Tonti Chipi Dechi will one Papa Khan. I am not. Present petitioner is your lordship Harshat Ali, your lordship.
What
Page
happened
15,
to
your
the
lordship.
co-accused persons?
Your lordship.
There are number of co-accused
Yes,
persons.
your lordship. There are a number of co-accused.
What happened to them?
Kahar
You
bail.
don't know.
Annavan bail hai nahi.
Taking into account the nature of accusation and submission that the allegations are omnibus in nature and the offences are traveled by magistrate and it's a case and counter case.
Yes, lordship. Case and counter.
Because the petitioner on anticipatory will allow.
Oblique.
Item 64.
May proceed. Offense 506 IPC and 66C and 67 of IT Act, my lord. Petitioner is the husband and the wife is the informant, my lord. Due to matrimonial dispute, the present case has been foisted against the
Wife is the informant.
Yes, my lord.
कौन कले आपनो?
देखिए मोर गोटे फेसबुक अकाउंट खोली मो फेसबुक अकाउंट रे किछि नेकेड फोटो वायरल करछ.
All right, considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is the husband of the informant and due to matrimonial dispute, the case has been foisted and the offences are travelled by magistrate. After hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on anticipatory bail allowed.
Item 265.
May I please, your lordship. Alleged offense under section 379 and 34 of IPC. Allegation is that petitioners illegally excavated and taken away the soil from the land of the informant.
Item 266.
Offense under section 300 subsection 2 of BNS, the corresponding section 379 of IPC.
Allowed magistrate travel offense next.
Item 267.
My lord, informant is the student of institute, Sushila Devi Institute of Health and Technology, Chandipada, and the petitioner is the chairman of institution. My lord, that the regarding document, the present case fostered against the petitioner, my lord, and offense under section 420, 294, 34 of IPC, my lord.
HSC certificate, CS certificate, migration certificate.
Forgery.
No, my lord.
Huh?
She approached the college authority to return the educational document, but although the first instance he was denied on the plea that misplaced or lost of, then after the present case was registered against the chairman, my lord.
Where have you stated that he's what the in which
My lord, in paragraph number 2, after the petitioner is the chairman. At paragraph number 2, line number 4, my lord.
Not only me, but also some of my classmates suffering this type of a problem.
All right. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is the chairman of Susila Devi Institute of Health and Technology, Chandri Padar.
At Barampur.
Chandri
Padar,
Padar. Barampur. And informant is the
student of that institute.
And due to previous dispute between the petitioner and the informant, the case has been foisted and the offences are triable by magistrate. After hearing the Land Council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on anticipatory bail. Yes, next.
Item 268.
The allegation in the present petition is 350 or 934 IPC mailer. The entire allegation against one Prakash Sahoo, the informant along with the other students there on tour to Puri mailer, and for the period of 8 January 2024 to 13 January 24 mailer, the Prakash Sahoo tried to touch the informant mailer. Accordingly, she has made a complaint before the present petitioner, who is the principal of the college mailer. And he has a constituted committee, and a committee has given the report mailer on 2 to 2024 mailer. After 9 months, he has made a complaint against the present petitioner that he has not followed the Visaga rule, and the superintendent and deputy superintendent are the gents in the ladies hostel mailer, and he has not kept the name of the informant. That is the allegation in the present petition.
The Land Council for the state to take obtain the case diary and extra copy to be served. Notice be served on the informant through the IAC of Raghunathpalli Police Station. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner, that as for the FIR, the main allegation is against co-accused.
He has in religion bail.
On bail, and the petitioner is the principal
of that college.
Of which college?
Raulkala Autonomous College.
Code lecture. Which paragraph you have mentioned?
Paragraph 7, Paragraph 7 is paragraph 7, page 4.
Principal of the Government Autonomous College, Raurkela, as an interim major, interim protection.